Okay, we are live now, and I can see the people are very much excited for the class. Hi, all. Hi, hi, hi. Able to hear and see me? First of all, confirm that you are able to see, you are able to hear. And how is the Josh, by the way? Right? All are good? Able to see? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. The class has been started. The class has been started. Please make sure you all are able to hear. Able to hear, guys? Okay. Yes, able to hear. Okay, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. I'll just put the details. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. How are you all? Good. Okay. Great. Great. Okay. Chalo. 215 people on YouTube are there, and LinkedIn, anyways, many people are here with us. So it's good, right? And it's 4 6 p.m. Weather is cool. Nishchay. Okay, great, 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 great. So many people, so many people, so many people. No, 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 no. Class is there, class is there, class is there. Okay, okay. How are you all? Fine, good. Okay, Nikhil. Okay, good, good. Yes, I'm good. I'm doing good. Full of energy, full of Josh. I'll present the agenda for you all, and then slowly we will move forward. What is there for you in this 2+ hours of session, and what you will get, right? Okay, shall we start the class? I'll just put all the things for you. I'll share my screen. I hope you have your pen and notebook, everything ready, right? All of you have? Yes, all of you have your pen, notebook, everything? Yes? Good, good, great. Okay, let me start. Okay, let me start. Okay, okay, I know. No worries. Let me start the class. I'll share my screen. Okay, so what is the agenda? Why we are here? What we are going to do? We will see all those things in a little bit of time. First, I will set the agenda for you all. Right. So the agenda for today's class, very, very simple, very, very sweet. Able to see my screen, right? 2 hour session. Yes, 2 hour session. 2+ hours also we can extend. That should not be issue. Okay, what is the agenda for today's class? Right, agenda for today's class we will see, right? And what are the things that are kept for you in this class? Very beautifully decorated for you, very beautifully designed, so that you can understand end-to-end concepts in a very simple way and in very sweet way, right? So the agenda is very simple, guys. I will divide this class into three major segments. One is your Terraform. Okay. One is your AWS. One is your hands-on. Okay, so the three parts have been divided, and based on this the content will be distributed across to you, right? In the Terraform you will see what are the things you will see. And basically this 30 days of free DevOps bootcamp, 30 days of live free DevOps class is basically job ready content, right? I'm giving you all the job ready content. So job ready content means this content you can place directly in your resume, right? Place in resume directly. And for the documents and the agenda PDF and everything, I'm going to share it in the Telegram group, right? So those who have not joined the Telegram group, the links will be on the post itself, or on the YouTube the links will be in the description. Clear, everyone? Now what we are going to discuss in Terraform, very simple. We will discuss about Terraform commands, Terraform architecture, right? And we will discuss about Terraform modules, very much important. And we will discuss about Terraform important concepts. Okay, important concepts. Now in AWS we will design and discuss about AWS components. Okay, AWS components, your RDS, your VPC, your subnets, route tables, right? Whatever is needed for your 3-tier architecture to stand on. And in the hands-on we are going to discuss about how a 3-tier architecture, right? I will have a presentation layer, I will have a business layer, I will have your database layer, right? And how when a user tries to access on the endpoints, how this data is transferred in AWS is what we are going to see in today's class. And this will be your project, right? And in this project, you will see everything is automated, right? Automated project. It means you just click in one single click, all your infra, starting from your Amazon to your ECRs, to your Docker images, to your containers, right? Everything, to your applications, database, everything will be rolled out. Now, are you clear with the agenda, guys? Tell me a yes, no, so that I can move forward. Very simple agenda, very straightforward, and very beautifully designed. This agenda, I am damn sure if you are keeping this in resume, guys, let me tell you very honest, this project is very much automated and streamlined for you. Starting from shell scripting, Docker images, Terraform, AWS, everything is automated. You don't need to even click on AWS to create one single component also. Clear, everyone? How is the Josh? Are you clear with the agenda? Any questions before we move ahead with the class? What are your questions? What are your thoughts? Are you ready to get the job for the next 1 month? Let's see like how many people from this particular 350 plus, and in LinkedIn also, I think 100 plus people are watching. So all total 500 plus people are here with us. So let me know, what do you feel about this 30 days of classes, right? Who will teach you in live, coming this much energy, this much Josh, this much power, imbibing you the positive things, right? Okay. And one more thing, guys, you can be beginner, absolute beginner, guys. Don't worry whether you are an experienced, whether you are an beginner, whether you are an intermediate. No, I have designed this slides in a way that you get what you need to clear the job. That's it. Very simple funda, very straight line I'm drawing between you and me. What you need to get a job, that's what I will teach you. Not everything like getting bombarded on your brain. No. Clear, everyone? Yes? Great. How to maintain such high Josh? The Josh will come like I cannot tell, but yeah, the Josh should be high. Yes, Kunwar, everyone, the Josh should be high. Great. Yes, definitely. I've taken all your questions. So let's start with the class. I would request you all in the Telegram group, those who are there, please put a message for everyone to join this class in any Telegram group, maybe other batches, other boot camps. Please ask them to join. Clear, everyone? Right? I don't know how many people on LinkedIn are watching me, but let me see how is the LinkedIn response. Let me see. Almost 180 plus people have registered for this, by the way. So I'm not sure how many people are there. If Telegram link is not working, you have to copy paste the Telegram link and paste it on the chat, Telegram chat, and hit that link. Okay. Great. So let's start the class. I am ready. Have your notebook. So guys, for the next 30 days, the plan is very, very simple, right? Okay, 1 second. The plan is very, very simple. Okay. The plan is what I will tell you. Okay, 1 second. Okay, done. The plan is you have to prepare notebook, guys, starting from day 1. Okay, notebook, have a 500 pages notebook, and week wise you divide the notebook. Okay, week wise or tool wise, whatever you feel, please do divide these notebook according to your need. Maybe you can divide on the tool wise, or you can divide on the topic wise or week wise. I am okay with anything, but make sure whatever you are learning in the class, you are writing down in your notebook. Okay, so let's start with the first slide. What is there for you? 1.5 hour or 1 hour of theory, 1.5 hour of theory, and 1+ hours of demo class will be there. So almost 2 to 3 hours, anytime in between that, we will be focusing on the things. Okay, so okay, let me start with the slide now. Let me take out the slide. I will explain you each and everything what is needed for you to crack the job. Now, today we are going to see AWS 3-tier architecture deployment with Terraform and AWS. You are going to be with me for the next 30 days, Saturday and Sunday every week, 4 p.m. I will be coming and teaching you all. and this is 30 days of free bootcamp 4. I have already run 3 bootcamps earlier on YouTube. You can check all the playlist, and people have got jobs up to 30 LPA on YouTube, right? And you can see that myself, I'm the founder of Hey DevOps. You can follow me on LinkedIn. Instagram is there. Hey DevOps website is there, and you can join the Telegram group. The Telegram group links are in the description, and anywhere you will find out. If the link is not working, you need to copy paste that link, put it on the Telegram chat and hit the link. It will redirect you. For documents, those who need the project documents and everything, recordings will be available, but those who need the project documents, they have to join the Telegram group. And obviously, we are live on Android and Apple Store. So those who want to get additional support, doubts clearing sessions, mentorship, you can download this app, Hey DevOps. If you search in iOS and Android, you will get the app for yourself, and there are many free things on the app itself, right? So let's start with the Terraform. I will first discuss about what is Terraform, why it is needed. Then slowly we will move into the architecture and the components, guys. Okay, so let's start with the Terraform class. Like, what is Terraform, why we need it, what are the things? As I've told you, I'll be very short and simple. I will keep it plain also. I'll keep it plain for you to understand how this Terraform has come into existence for you and how you are going to get help from this Terraform. So let me introduce you this Terraform as a beautiful concept. Now, in this Terraform, you need to understand few things. Now, very simple and straightforward. This Terraform is a powerful tool, right? Terraform is powerful tool, right? Powerful tool, right? Which will help you to crack AWS, Azure, or GCP architectures. When I talk about architectures, you need to understand what you will get. AWS, GCP, and Azure architectures. Now, very beautifully, this Terraform has been designed, guys. And mainly, this Terraform is integrated in our pipelines. When I talk about pipelines, right, these are like your CI/CD pipelines, right? CI/CD pipelines, and you can consider like the train compartment, which I always tell as an example. Your code is here. I will share my GitHub link also for this project, so just wait. Your code is here as a human being. Your code is going in and into each compartment and coming out, right? Correct? Your code is going in and coming out from each compartment, and each compartment, it is performing, it is undergoing some software tools check. Yes, software tools check. Yes or no? How many of you have worked with your CI/CD? How many of you have worked with CI/CD? All of you have worked. All of you have worked on CI/CD, right? Yes. So you remember that when the code is pulled from the GitHub, it automatically gets transferred like the train compartment. The code transfers over the CI/CD like the train compartment. The first tool is placed in first compartment. The second tool is placed in second compartment. Third tool is placed in third compartment, fourth tool, fourth compartment, and this code goes over each compartment, right? Now, imagine, guys, before you create your deployment, let's take, this is my code, okay? My code has to come out from this CI/CD as an end output. Now, all of you, I can tell you that open your phone. All of you open your phone on the Play Store or iOS, search for Hey DevOps app. The logo will be very simple logo, very plain logo. This is what the logo will be, right? Now, imagine one thing. I am asking one thing only. For every application, there is a version, correct? If you open in the App Store or Play Store, you will see that every application has a version in it. And this application, guys, my application, I am deploying with CI/CD to various Play Stores and various iOS environments. Are you able to understand how beautiful we as a DevOps engineers are coming forward and helping our various kinds of projects, right? Are you getting it? Are you understanding the things what I'm talking about? The App Store where you can go and check, right? Let's think like this. I'm going to the iOS store and I'm searching for app A DevOps, right? You will see that app is present on the App Store or Android store with the help of CI/CD and various kinds of servers. CI/CD is nothing but continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, continuous integration and continuous deployment, where your code. So guys, tell me one thing. Let's do one small activity. Okay, why not the activity? Why can't we do, right? Open your phone. All of you open your phone, right? You are able to see there are various apps, right? Now tell me, in the code, when we design the code, when we write the code, how much GB the code will come? Can anyone tell me? Please, it should be a two-way interaction. How much GB the code will be? 10 GB, 5 GB, 4 GB, 3 GB, 2 GB, or 1 GB? How much size of code you have worked? Guys, tell me in the comment section. Put in the comment section. How many people have worked on code? May it be Python, Java, Node.js, or you are completely fresher, that's fine. Shrija is telling she has worked on 10 KB, right? KBs of code, 10 to 20 GB. Others is telling 10 to 20 GB, maybe 10 GB. Only these people are there. What about others? People on LinkedIn, 10 MB, 10 KB. What is this, Sandeep? What do you mean by 2? 2 GB, 2 MB, 2 KB, 300 MB? Okay, now assume that, guys, how this code of 2 GB, 3 GB is getting converted and getting onto your phone, right? This phone has 2 GB of RAM. Let's take 5 GB of RAM. And imagine this phone is handling almost 30 to 40 apps, right? So in general, we as a DevOps engineers, are helping the code of 10 GB code to get converted into a small 10 MB code, and this is getting placed into your iOS or Apple or your Android Play Store. Clear, everyone? Right? Very straightforward. I am explaining in very simple way, and in this mid journey is done, or the mid journey is taken by DevOps engineers, right? With various tools, right? What can be tools here, guys? There can be Jenkins, there can be Sonar, there can be Maven, there can be many other tools. Today, we are trying to understand how this 10 GB of code, guys, very, very important. How this 10 GB, my code in my GitHub is 10 GB. Now, how this 10 GB of code is deployed on cloud is what my assumption or what my project will be. Clear, everyone? And from cloud, I am giving website. I am not giving any apps here. I am giving website. You all will access my code today, and we all will send the data to the database from this website. Clear, everyone? All of you clear with the advantages of Docker, advantages of like a DevOps engineer? Clear, everyone? Yes. Are you all clear? Guys, are you all clear? How this CI/CD, I'm not talking about in depth, but today's concept, right? How the 10 GB of code, which is there in my GitHub, guys, see, today's code is here. Today's code is, sorry, this is not the code. Okay. I'll take it to your organizations. Okay. Hey, DevOps. So this is your code, guys. Okay. And in repositories. So this is your code. See, the 10 GB of code is getting converted and getting deployed and hitting the database. It's very beautiful today project will be. Trust me, you all will be able to understand the 3-tier architecture. Very, very beautiful concepts are here with me. Right now, let me know one thing, guys. Very much important. How many of you are looking for jobs? How many of you are actually hunting jobs? How many of you are hunting jobs? Tell me a yes if you are looking for job in another 1 month or 45 days, or you are actually searching. Come on. Now, what is the need of me asking you all is, based on that, I will prepare the content from tomorrow, right? Maybe like from tomorrow, I can understand my audience, right? How are my audience? How they are treating me? I am a hunter, right? You are a hunter. Everyone is looking for a job, right? Everyone, give me a yes if you all are looking. If you all are looking, yes, there are many people, many people, those who are looking for jobs. And guys, people on YouTube, I would request you to like the video, right? Like the video and comment whatever you are feeling, comment it so that I can help you all in a better way, right? You all are looking, right? So let's see now. I am telling the truth. If you are with me for 30 days, I am giving you what you need to get a job. What you need to get a job. That is for sure. That is for sure. 100% I am giving you. Okay, now how much you take from me is on you, but I am giving my 100%. Now let's see. I told you, right? This is the train. Okay, all of you see, this is the train, right? Or a, like, you can think like a flight or a train. Now I will enlarge this particular compartment and I will show you. This compartment is Terraform compartment now. Okay. In this Terraform, from here, you will understand the beauty here. Okay. Now, what you are doing, guys, what you are doing, you have your code. Okay. You have your code here with Terraform. Okay. I am deploying my application on cloud. Okay. Now you see the beauty of Terraform is, what is Terraform, by the way? Everyone will tell Terraform is basically to create the architecture, correct? To create the architecture. And you all will know that Terraform can handle 3 clouds or multi-cloud architectural components it can design in one go. Let's take AWS, it can design, GCP it can design, Azure it can design, and similarly anything. Now, why people have chose Terraform? Why only Terraform? Okay, why Terraform? People will think like, okay boss, why only Terraform? Why I have to go with Terraform? Very simple and straightforward funda. You all should understand, Terraform is multi-cloud tech. Okay, multi-cloud software where you write one line of code, right? One line of code. That one line of code is applicable to Azure, GCP, and AWS. Clear, everyone? So you don't need to write for different softwares or for different cloud, different type of code, right? One code, one pattern that is suitable for all the clouds. Are you clear why Terraform we are using? Yes, multi-cloud, open source, very beautiful and powerful tool this is. Clear, everyone? Right? Are you understanding? Are you understanding what I'm talking about? And it also is very powerful, guys. When I tell very powerful, you need to understand, right? It has very simple code, guys. The coding is very simple in Terraform. Okay, the coding in Terraform is very simple, and this is basically, all of you write down in your notes, the Terraform is multi-cloud, okay, plugins based. Now, what is this plugins? I will tell you. The Terraform is multi-cloud, plugins based, faster, and infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code. We call it as IaaC. Now, multi-cloud, you all understood, right? It can support AWS, GCP, Azure, and so on. What is plugins based? Now, let me know one thing. I told that Terraform is an open source for us, not for organizations, guys. Terraform is open source for us, like the people who want to learn. It's open source. Now you understand, right? See, we all are a community now. We are a Hey DevOps community, right? From today, we all are Hey DevOps community, right? Now you need to understand, when I talk about plugins, just imagine, guys, I am writing 10 lines of code. Okay, all of you see here, I am writing 10 lines of code. Okay, this is my requirement. All of you see, this is my requirement. But what is the requirement of my cloud? I need to make sure, na? So you need to understand, if my code has to talk with AWS, I need to add some plugins. Okay, plugins are nothing but, you know, like you bought a laptop, right? You bought a laptop, but you feel that laptop is slow. So what do? You increase the RAM for the laptop. You increase additional capacity to the laptop. You make sure your configurations are more in the laptop, right? So similarly, Terraform is good. We are happy with Terraform. But for the Terraform to be very much powerful, it needs additional plugins to work. Clear, everyone? Are you understanding? What are those plugins? I will show you in the demo. Clear, everyone? Now, are you clear with those things? Guys, are you clear? Give me a yes if you are clear till here, because we have covered 30 minutes now, strong 30 minutes. I want you all to understand, like, this is how we will talk. Okay, this is how we will work, and this is how you will understand all the things. Clear? Great. Clear, right? Great. Now, what is the other thing? Now, faster. I told Terraform is faster with simple commands, guys. With simple commands, I will show you what commands you need to learn. Simple commands. This Terraform keeps itself faster, right? Very much faster enough to create your architecture or design or your three-tier architecture in a very simple way. Now, this might sound boring to you, but understand, as we go ahead in another 30 minutes, you will love the class, because I will be presenting the architecture of today's project. We will discuss in depth what are the components, what are the features, what are the three-tier architecture, on which component we need to deploy what, everything, minute baby steps I will tell you. Clear? Now, why it is called infrastructure as a code? Very, very important, because it creates entire infrastructure in one go. Okay, entire infra in one go. And it also supports the multi-cloud environment, and it also supports application deployment. I will show you today application deployment, and it also supports automations. Okay, automations. Now, I want you all to follow one thing, guys. Very, very simple. Those who are attending this project till end, right, you will get the best of the best project today. I am 100% sure. So what you need to do, once you complete the project, post it on LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn, or post it on Instagram, tag me, right? Instagram, tag me, so that I can understand how many of you have understood the class. Based on today's efforts, what you give to me, I will what a baseline the tomorrow's topics. I will understand that, okay, my more community are freshers, my more community are experienced, my more community are managers. Based on that, I will divide the segment. So how you need to post it, all of you need to understand that for posting any content, you need to tag me at Praveen Singampalli, right? And in Instagram, you can tag me from at Singham for DevOps, right? And you can also tag hashtag Hey DevOps. Okay, Hey DevOps, or you can tag at Hey DevOps on LinkedIn. Okay, clear everyone, right? So these are all things. Now, once you have seen the Terraform commands, let's assume what are the things are there. Okay, what are the things that are stored for you in the first slide, guys? Very beautiful. The first slide, all of you see on the screen. Now, Terraform commands, I will tell you beautiful commands, right? And slowly I will take you into the hands-on. Okay, clear? Now, all of you see this screen. Very simple. So all of you need to understand one thing, guys. Very straightforward. And one thing, see here, any DevOps tools will have two things, guys. Okay, one is your commands, okay, and the other is configurations. Yes or no? How many of you agree or disagree with me? Any DevOps tools in the market have two things, right? One is commands, one is configuration. That's it. Nothing else will be there in that particular tool. May it be Jenkins, may it be Ansible, may it be SonarQube, may it be Maven. It has commands and it has configuration. That's it. We all DevOps engineers, very powerful DevOps engineers. Now you see, guys, I will tell you what are these commands. First, you see what are main commands. Okay. Now, you all should understand, when we are talking about Terraform, we are only talking about 5 commands here. Okay. Rest all commands we will talk as we progress in the future, right? Now you see Terraform init. Now, very, very simple. Terraform is like your, you can consider like a software. Okay. You can consider like your software. Now you want your software to be up and running, right? So all of you see here, I have a software. Okay. I have a software. I want my software to be up and running. So what you do, you install the software, right? All of you install the software and run the commands, right? Run the commands. Now, very beautiful. Once you have installed the software, the commands which you need to run for Terraform are those. First is init. Okay, small letters, by the way. Init. Okay, and your apply and your plan and your destroy. Okay, so now let's see one by one what each command is doing and what it actually does on my code. Okay, so all of you see, this is what today's code will be. Okay, I will just remove all these things. Okay, this is what today's code will be, guys. Okay, all of you are able to see how this today's code is. Okay, I will close this also. Okay, now presentation layer, application layer, Terraform folder, shell scripting folder, user data folder, right? And some automations on additional shell scripting, right? So you need to understand, when I'm talking about Terraform, there are only 5 commands you need to remember for interview, right? Now you see, we will talk about, see, there is a folder you saw, right? This is the folder. In the folder, what you have seen, guys? In the folder, what you have seen? Have you seen Terraform folder? This is the folder. And inside that, there is a baby folder also, right? Are you able to see the baby folder? All of you? Yes. Yes. Are you able to see? Yes. Now you see, when you talk about folder and Terraform, and in this folder, you need to apply some commands, Terraform init. Okay. The next command is Terraform plan. And the next command is Terraform apply. These 3 commands will change your future going ahead. Now you see what each command is doing. All of you see here. When you talk about init, it means it initializes the Terraform folder, initializes the Terraform folder and plugins. I will show you everything on hands-on. Just wait for a few minutes. But as of now, all of you write down in your notebooks, when you say Terraform init, it initializes the Terraform folder and downloads. What is that? What I have told you? I have told you about plugins, na? Downloads plugins. Clear, everyone? Like your Git init. Clear, everyone? Very clear. Great, Divine. What about others? Any questions till now? Very, very simple, na? But as we go ahead, you will see good concepts. Okay. First, I am starting with baby steps only. What about freshers? How many freshers are there? Freshers, are you clear? Are you able to understand? Yes. Yes. Are you able to understand, guys? Why Terraform has same things? What is that? Clear, clear, clear? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, right? Now, all of you see and understand what I am trying to do. Okay, 10 years. Now, this is very simple. Now, you did init, right? The very next step you perform, your plugins have been downloaded, your repo has been initialized, you create a plan. Now, this plan is something which your architecture plan you need, right? So Terraform, so tell me what Terraform is doing, guys. What Terraform is doing? Terraform is creating architecture, correct? So to create the architecture, do I need the blueprint or not? All of you tell me. To create the architecture, do I need the blueprint or not? Or do I need the map or not? The big picture? Yes. To create the infrastructure, do I need the big picture or not? Tell me, guys. Yes. Obviously, we need the big picture. Yes. Right. Now, this big picture is created with the help of this one, plan. Okay. The plan, when you hit, it will give you the blueprint of the entire architecture. Blueprint of entire architecture. Clear, everyone? Init and both the things, are you clear? Pavitra, everyone? Guys, 400 people are here. Why are you so silent, guys? यार तुम लोग थोड़ा जोश दिखाओ ना, मतलब क्या हो रहा है, मतलब why are you like छुपे छुपे क्यों हो? ठीक है कुलदीप, don't worry, when I am showing you the big picture of architecture you will be able to understand. ठीक है? Any other questions? Yes. Okay, Kuldeep is a fresher. No worries, हम बताएंगे, फिर से बताएंगे, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है? Everyone able to understand? What about people on LinkedIn? Clear? Great. Others, people on LinkedIn? Are you all clear? with the things what we are discussing? Yes? Great. Awesome. Now, all of you see, right? Once the plan is done. So guys, my plan is ready. Do I need to implement that plan or not? Yes or no? My plan is ready. Do I need to implement that plan or not? So that comes apply, right? You apply the plan which you have created in the previous step. And this is the Terraform apply command. Okay. So 3 commands only. First is Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. Clear, everyone? Are you clear with these 3 commands? I will tell Swati. I will tell init will create a directory, plugins I will show you. Okay. Yes. Clear? Great. Any other questions? Okay. Nice. 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 Okay. Great. Now all of you see here, once you have done the commands, okay, once you have done the commands, the next step is basically, let's go and see what are the next steps for you. Now you have understood the commands, right? Now let me tell you, these all commands you don't need to worry. As we go ahead, I will show you, but these are like additional commands which you can check from yourself, right? Now you see, once the Terraform commands are clear, now shall we go and see the baby code of Terraform? Baby code of Terraform, shall we see, guys? How this simple Terraform code, very, very simple, guys. You don't need to bang your head also, right? Everything is available, right? I will teach from basics this one. This baby code is very, very simple. Just 3-4 components you need to remember, and that's it. Your code will be ready. Are you all ready to see the baby code? I will make you walk through over the code once. Just I will give the touch, like ऐसे ऐसे टच करके हम लोग बाहर आ जाएंगे, फिर हम लोग एक्चुअल हैंड्स ऑन पे पूरा बिग पिक्चर देखेंगे. क्लियर एवरीवन? यस, ठीक है. अभी देखो, ठीक है. ऑल ऑफ यू सी हियर. ग्रेट. ऑल ऑफ यू सी हियर व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू. ठीक है. नाउ Terraform is a language. Okay, Terraform is a language which talks with multi clouds. Okay, all of you need to understand. Now, when you are talking about a language, this language always deals with this kind of code. Okay, this kind of code, and this is basically Terraform code, right? Now, HashiCorp language. This code is HashiCorp language. Now, all of you see. Okay, I will tell you. Guys, can you name one AWS component which I have to design today? Can you tell me one AWS component which I have to design today? Can you all tell me which AWS component shall we design? आप लोग बोलिए, मैं अभी उसका कोड लिख दूंगा आपके सामने. Which component of AWS you want me to design? Can you tell me? Go ahead. Type, guys, type. Which component of AWS you want to create? VPC, EC2, what else? Only this, ALB. Only these are there in AWS. Kya yaar? Come on. VPC, EC2, AWS S3. Apart from this, do you know anything? RDS, okay. Any other things? EKS? Any other things? Do you remember? What are the other things you have? EC2, okay. Any other things? RDS. Any other things? EKS? Okay. You all are banging on EKS, RDS, EC2. So let's take one small EC2 creation. Okay. Let's go ahead with small EC2 creation. Now, whenever you want to create, so guys, see, Terraform plus the code gives you the AWS architecture. Now, let's see, in AWS, I want to create my EC2 instance, correct? Right? That is what you gave me the task, right? In AWS, I want to create EC2 instance. Now, all of you see here how I will create. In the code, I will write one small block, resource, right? Name of the resource is what? EC2. You can give any name. Here you can give you can give hello. Okay. And tell me, guys, for an EC2 instance, what are the things that is needed? All of you tell me, for an EC2 instance, what are the things that is needed? Can you tell me? What are the things for an EC2 you need? Do you need? Okay, what is an EC2? EC2 is a laptop. Okay, EC2 is what? EC2 is a laptop. Now tell me what my laptop needs. Laptop needs a hard disk, correct? Laptop needs a RAM, correct? Laptop needs, maybe you can consider like some secret, like passwords, right? I want my laptop to be password protected, right? What else my laptop needs? My laptop needs maybe Wi-Fi network, correct? Now all these things are what? The dependencies, right? My laptop is dependent on these things. If I don't have Wi-Fi now on the laptop, do I need to use my laptop now to show you all the demo and all? No, right? So you need to understand, with every resource on AWS, let's take RDS. What is the database? So guys, what does database needs? Can you all tell me? Database needs route table, IP address. What else database needs? Can you all tell me? What does database needs? Memory. Okay, CPU, right? Tell in a layman terms, general database, what it needs. General database. What does general database needs? What does general database needs, guys? What does general database needs? Can anyone tell me what does basic database needs and all? Yes, correct. Okay, storage, security group, and all those things, right? Clear? Yes. So let me tell you some things here, right? So this, wherever you see the code, right? Wherever you see the resource equal to name, resource is name, and you write the dependencies of resource. Dependencies of resource, correct? Dependencies of, very simple, you will write dependencies of resources, right? Now you see, when I am talking in my Terraform code, all of you see, I will just show you a little bit code. In the Terraform, there is ec2.tf, right? All of you see, what is this? All of you see, guys, what is this? Are you seeing something resource, right? Are you seeing resource name, right? And any name you can give. I can give here Praveen also. I can give here something else also. But tell me one thing, are you able to understand or not? Suppose I want to purely create, let's see, like in the down, right? Actually, I'm searching for one parameter. Now, where is that? Okay, let's assume that I want to create, think like this. I want to create a role to the group, role to the EC2. Now, what I will do, resource, the name in the AWS, what it will use, and any role name and name of the role and path. So very simple is, these blocks are very much important. This one block is only important for you to understand what you need. Clear, everyone? The coding part I am telling, in your brain, just feed this. As of now, you only need this thing to remember. Clear, everyone? One is resource. Okay. One is resource, right? And the component through which it creates the architecture and any name, and in the string, in the curly braces, you give the dependencies. Are you clear? So the resource part is important. Resource, suppose you want to create RDS, you give RDS. Suppose you want to create EC2, you give EC2. Suppose you want to create VPC, you give VPC. Clear, everyone, with the resources concepts? Yes. Yes, clear? Resource, component name, and dependency. Three things only. I will tell again once more. All of you note down in your notebook. Resource, component name, resource, component name, and dependency. That's it. For any Terraform code, these three are mandatory. Clear, everyone? Now, are you clear with this concept, right? Yeah. So in Terraform, only three things are needed for you. So Terraform, let's consider this as a configuration file. In the configuration file, you need only 3 components. One is resource, one is component name, and one is dependency. Are you clear now, everyone? Yes. Are you clear now? Right now, as of now, just feed in your mind, you need 3 components. One is dependencies, resource, and your component name. Clear? Great. Any questions before we go ahead? Any questions? People on LinkedIn, are you clear with the concepts, what we are talking? Yes? Clear? Great. Now, let's see what is the other thing. Now, this is one more important concept, guys. This is one part of code. Okay. Now, there is second part of code, which is very important. And with this, you decide whether your Terraform is going to create architecture on AWS or Azure or GCP. So what is that keyword? These 3 plus one more keyword is there, provider. Okay. This provider, if you write AWS from internet, the Terraform will download all the AWS components. Clear, everyone? If I write provider equal to GCP, it will download all plugins related to GCP. If I write Azure, it will download all plugins related to Azure. And this provider tag is important. Are you clear with this, guys? See, provider is what here now in my case, because it's a 3-tier architecture with AWS. So that is why I chose AWS and version and region. I will tell you all these things in a little bit of time. But are you clear with provider? Are you clear with provider, guys? Yes? Yes? Are you clear? Guys, people on YouTube, आप लोग हो या नहीं? मतलब Josh should be high. Okay, let's take a small game. Okay, so all of you, please put any kind of smileys on the chat. Okay, so that we all get energy and we will go to the next part. Okay, all of you put some smileys, whatever you feel like, whatever you see like on the screen, you put all the smileys, right? Let's start it. Okay, let's start it. Okay, all of you put some smileys. Okay, put some smileys so that I can understand. Yes. Okay. All are very much silent. Okay, Ashish Chawla. Okay, clear everyone. Yeah, very okay. Good vibes. Okay, great. Okay, nice. Okay, great. People on LinkedIn, you also can put, so that it gives the refresh mode, right? It's like a refresh. Okay, great. Okay, Sujata. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to the next topic now. So all of you see, I am introducing you all modules, guys. Okay, now the next component which we will see now is modules. Now, what are these modules? Okay, all of you see on my screen what I'm going to tell you. Terraform modules. Okay, now we talked about Terraform architecture, we talked about Terraform commands, we have seen what are providers, the code, and now let's see what are modules. Okay, very simple. Okay, tell me one thing. Suppose I have 2 teams, team 1 and team 2. Okay, who is working on a AWS infra creation task? Okay, clear everyone, right? I have 2 teams, team T1 and team T2, and who is going to create an AWS infrastructure. Now, this DevOps team T1 and okay, I will not confuse, DevOps team T2. Okay, now this DevOps team T1 is working closely with a client called Mercedes-Benz. Okay, Mercedes-Benz. Okay, the DevOps team T2 is closely working with a client called Toyota. Okay, now all of you understand one thing, right? Suppose both Toyota and Mercedes are what, guys? Automobiles. Correct? Both are automobiles. Correct, na? In this automobiles, both of them are automobiles, both of them have four wheels, both of them have a steering, both of them have body, I like strength and everything, right? Now tell me one thing, but the features which both of them will have will be definitely different. Yes or no? How many of you have tell that features will be different both for Mercedes and BMW? Yes. How many of you say that? How many of you say that this will be this one? How many of you say yes? Good. Nice. It's looking good, right? Okay, let me find out. Okay, great. Both for clients with same activities, right? Yes. Of course. Great. Nice. Awesome. Right? Okay. Right. Now you can understand one thing. I have the features with me. Now, when the features are rolled out, right? Definitely, let's consider that the size of the screen is here 10-inch screen, here 12-inch screen. Okay. But the parameters of this screen will remain same, like the plastics and all. Now, what I wanted to tell is sometimes what happens, right? We need the same kind of family, okay, the same kind of family with different features, right? It means that you have two automobile cars, but both the automobile cars have four tires, right? The strength of the body is same, but the parameters which are injected are different. Let's think like this. The Toyota car is using MRF tires, okay? The Mercedes-Benz is using maybe Seat tires, right? Now, what is the comparison here is the tires are same, but the input parameters to the tire is different. Brand is different. Are you understanding what I am talking about? The brand is different, but the tires, we need the tires. Now, tell me one thing. In this case, right, I wanted to tell you from here, I have gone to the Toyota, Mercedes and everything, but in simple, just understand when we want to use reusable code, it means this code can be used by Toyota, this code can be used by Mercedes-Benz and any other company also. Then I will go with modules. Okay, and in today's class I will create a database module for you all, so that my Toyota and my Mercedes-Benz and all other people can use this database, but with different features. Clear everyone? All of you clear? Good vibes? Yes? Clear? Guys, are you clear with the concepts, like what we are talking about? Yes? No? Are you clear? Yes? Great. Awesome. Right? Now you need to understand one more thing. Okay. Now, great. Now, in this modules, right? These modules are designed like this, guys. Okay. When you see, I will screen share, right? When you see, all of you see this picture, this one, all of you see this one. Now, this is our main folder. All of you see, I'm explaining the code now. This is my main folder, which is resembling this code. Yes or no? All of you see here, this is my main folder. Terraform _ 3-tier arc is my web app folder. Okay. Now, under this, are you seeing anything like, I will show you 1 second. Are you seeing anything modules, guys? Under this, are you seeing any RDS module? RDS, Relational Database System, RDS. Yes. Are you seeing the modules? And in this modules, are you seeing module.tf, variables.tf, main.tf, variable.tf? Are you seeing everyone? Yes or no? Are you seeing? You are looking actively. Yes, it's a live session. Yes. Are you seeing, guys? So what I am telling now, that RDS database. So guys, see, I will show you from here. Where is this? Terraform. Go into the modules. Now, all of you see here, this RDS instance can be used by Toyota, Mercedes, but the parameters passed to this database, I will change it. Okay, like the code is same, but the parameters are different. Now, clear? Great. How many of you say great? Clear, everyone? Yes, I will share the GitHub code also. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Clear, everyone? Great. Nice. Now you see, right? Now in the app folder, right? These are modules. Under modules, you see these are modules code. Now you see there is a main root folder also. You see under the root folder there are main.tf, variable.tf, and guys, the .tf is the symbol to represent it's a Terraform code. Clear, everyone? Are you clear? Great. Clear? Nice. New concepts. Wow. Nice. Now you understood, right? Okay. Now all of you see here. When I'm doing this, right, automatically the modules, right? The modules have some code, and you see this is the root folder. Now you see, now you tell me, suppose I remove the modules. All of you see here. Am I having in the Terraform, am I having anything like this? These are root files, guys. Root files. Whatever you see under modules are module files. Are you clear? Are you clear with this script, this diagram? Any questions? Okay, Anjal is telling it's clear. It's clear. Guys, are you clear? Got it. Super explanation. Great. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Nice. Nice. Okay, nice. Now all of you see here. Once you have done this, let's go to the next set of things. I will tell you. Okay. Now all of you see. Now here till here we have completed the Terraform. Okay. Now you understood like what is a Terraform, what is the code. Now let's jump into AWS, guys. Okay. Now all of you see. Now all of you see here. We have talked till here about Terraform. Okay. Now I will be talking about AWS from here. Okay, what will you get in AWS? All of you see here. Okay, what will you get in AWS is very, very simple. Now, are you ready for AWS? Guys, are you ready? For another few minutes, I will talk about AWS. Now, you understood Terraform modules, Terraform code, Terraform, what you call like commands, right? Everything. Much clear? Great. Extra, what is that? Extra terrestrial. Okay, great. Great. I will take all your questions at the end. So don't leave the class. I am getting what you are expecting. Amruta Patil. Great, great, great. Okay, nice. Now, all of you see here, let's start with AWS. Okay. Now, in our today's architecture, I told you, right? Today's architecture is what? 3-tier architecture. Now, you need to understand there will be various components in 3-tier architecture. Now, all of you see here, this is the architecture of our project. Okay, all of you are able to see? Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible, guys? This architecture screen? 100% great. Now, all of you see, this is our 3-tier architecture for today's project. Okay, now one by one, I will tell you. See, before going into this project, I will separate all the skeletons of this project and I will show you on a individual sections. Is it clear? So that you understand on a clear way. I will remove all the things one by one and I will show you everything combinedly at the end. Clear? Now all of you see here. Now all of you see here. Okay. Now, before I go ahead, let me introduce you these components. Now all of you see, there are some AWS components. Okay. Like your VPC, virtual private cloud. Okay, what does that mean? It means that when you are giving your virtual private cloud, right? When you are trying to give something like virtual private cloud, it means that you have your organization. Let's assume that you have your organization. Okay, all of you see here. Okay, now this one. Okay, now virtual private cloud. Okay, VPC. Okay, this means that virtual private cloud. Now all of you see here, when you are looking for something like virtual private cloud, it means that suppose you are working in an organization. Let's take something like Hey DevOps. Okay, you are working in an organization called Hey DevOps, and now you want to create a environment in AWS, okay, for your application to get deployed. So the immediate first step which you do on AWS is create VPC. This is the first step which you do in AWS for any application. Let's think like this: you are from another organization, right? So this organization can be like XYZ. So you create one more VPC. So VPC 1 and VPC 2. Clear everyone, guys? Are you all clear with what I am telling? Okay. Expecting it from past months. Thanks a ton, Praveen. This type of power pack master blaster innings is expected from you only. Okay, great, great. Thanks a lot, Siddharth. Right. Okay. All of you see here, what I was talking about is, okay. Now, all of you see here, what I was talking, right? When you create two VPCs, it means two organizational applications or two internal applications are separated by your layer, right? So this is called your imaginary layer, and let's consider this VPC as your room. Okay, this is your room. Okay, your room is surrounded by four walls where you are sitting, right? Wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. Are you all clear? This is your VPC, and inside your room you create instances, EC2, you deploy your application, you do whatever you need, you create RDS database. Are you clear with this? What is VPC? Clear? Badhiya, badhiya, badhiya. Clear? Okay. Okay, clear? Great. Nice. Now you see. Okay, clear, clear. Okay, Saira, what's your question? Okay, what's your question? Okay. Git is very simple, yaar. Wow. Clear? Everyone clear? Great. Now you see, I would like to tell you one more thing here. Okay. Okay. One more thing here is very important. Once you have your room, this is your own room, guys. You can do anything, correct? Yes or no? You have your own room. What is that COC? I didn't get that, Saira. What is that COC? Rooms once more. So I told like you are sitting in a room and listening my class, right? You are sitting in a room and listening my class. So this is your boundary. This is your boundary. And you can do whatever you need inside this room. You can install two tables. You can have one bed. You can have a cupboard because this is yours, right? Similarly, VPC, when an organization creates a VPC, you can deploy database. Okay. You can deploy applications. You can do whatever you want. That is what I mean. Clear everyone? What is VPC? Azure also same. Azure also same. Clear. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Nice. Now, nice. Okay. Clear everyone, right? It's a collection of family, parents, right, in home, all together need to stay. Right? Clear? I know you. Don't worry. We will talk later. Right? Don't worry. Yes. Don't worry. Clear? I know everyone who is there in the class. So don't worry. We will talk soon. We have IP addresses of everyone, those who are joining here, right? So don't worry, right? Definitely we will meet soon, right? Now, all of you see here, what I'm talking about is the database is there, the applications are there, right? Now, the next topic which we will talk about is subnets, guys. Now, all of you tell me, this was your room, right? Which you are inside. This is your VPC, correct? Now, assume that you have to share this room with your friends. Okay, what you do, you create something like two beds, you place two beds, right? And you give to your friends, right? You share the same place. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, we create space and we share with the friends, right? Yes or no? Clear? Okay, no problem, right? So what we do is, that is called your subnets. Okay, these are like your subnets. Okay, and guys, tell me one thing. This is your bed, let's assume that, and this is your friend's bed, right? Now just an example. Okay, now you have the ability to conquer your thing, right? And your friend has the ability to sell or change any component on your bed, right? So tell me one thing. This is public to you, right? This bed or this particular thing is public to you, but to you, your friend bed is private. Are you getting me? Right? So there is one room, right? There is one room. Yeah, PG. We all stay in PG. So there are two beds. My bed is, I am responsible for my bed, but my friend bed is private to me. Clear? So what I meant is, in a room, there are different kinds of subnets. Subnets are nothing but public. There are two kinds only. Two kinds, public and private. Are you clear? Public subnet and private subnet. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes? Are you all understanding what I'm telling? People on LinkedIn, are you clear? Yes, guys, no. Yes, 3-bed, we will talk 3-bed also in our class, we will talk. But yeah, as of now, have you understood or not? Subnets. Now tell me one thing, gateways and endpoints. Okay, let me take this. Let me put here. Now tell me one thing. Okay, now all of you tell me. Okay, I will put it here somewhere. Okay, tell me one thing. In the gateways, you have your own room and you have the entry to your room through which you come, right? What is that basically? Door. Yes or no, guys? Your entry to the room is door. Yes or no? Guys, everyone. Yes or no, guys? You have your door for your room, right? That door is nothing but gateway. So what I meant from my architecture is very simple. This is your VPC. Okay, you have two components here and you have a gate here, and this gate is nothing but, when you type www.flipkart.com, guys, listen carefully, flipkart.com, this gate is allowing your entry to inside to come to this. Are you understanding? Now when you hit www.amazon.com, every VPC is attached with a gateway. Are you clear? Are you clear with the gateway concepts? Yes. Main gate, whatever that main gate or PG gate, something you can understand, or your door gate itself. No, gateway is a door to enter into VPC. Guys, again, I am telling, gateway is a door to enter into VPC. Once you enter, where to go, depending on the request, it will go. Okay, public, mostly it will go to public only. Now, public subnet means it is directly accessible via the public internet. Okay, public internet. Now, one more thing, guys. Now tell me, in our architecture, in our 3-tier architecture, so all of you see, in our 3-tier architecture, we will have 3 subnets, correct? One is for web tier, one is app tier, okay, and one is database tier. Okay, guys, all of you. And we will have an internet gateway. From here, the person will come, www.flipkart.com will come here. He will hit first the web tier. From the web tier, he will go to the app tier, and from the app tier, he will go to the database, and vice versa. Database से वापस उसको data मिलेगा. Right? Clear, everyone? Making sense? Okay, great. Swapna, correct? All of you are able to understand what I'm talking about? Yes, no? Guys, people on LinkedIn, how many are you there? I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you are able to understand like what I'm talking. Right, great. Now you all see, right? The web tier, app tier, database tier is deployed. Let's assume that. Okay. Let's go to the next slide and let's understand few more things. All of you see, guys, this is how the 3-tier architecture in general is deployed. So all of you see, external network, The person is coming in, he is touching the VPC, internet gateway, some data is coming in, router is there. Okay, now router, what it will do now? Security guard, router is like your security guard. Okay, security guard will send which room you need to go. Okay, kind of that. So let's assume that once he comes here, right, you see web tier, app tier, database tier is in availability zone 1 or subnet 1. You can consider subnet 1, and this is in subnet 2. So guys, tell me now, I purposefully have not told one thing here. Availability zone is one more concept. Okay, now little bit I will tell about that. Okay, now in the VPC, okay, in the VPC you have divided your VPC into two rooms, room 1 and room 2, and inside the room you can have two beds, right? This is your public subnet, private subnet, public subnet, private subnet. So basically these are your availability zones and these are your subnets. Okay, clear? It means that a larger space we are dividing into smaller space. Clear? Now you see with the architecture you will understand. Okay, external network is coming in, internet gateway, it has taken the external network. From there it is coming into each of the data. You see web tier, right? It is coming into web tier. From there you see where it is going. It is going into the app tier. Then from the app tier it is going into the database tier, right? And everything is combinedly connected to each other, right? And you see how many subnets are there, guys? Can you count the number of subnets from this architecture diagram? Can you check? Can you check how many subnets are there in this architecture diagram? Come on, everyone. How many subnets are there in this architecture diagram? Can you all tell me? Okay, 6. 6 is there. Correct? 6 is there. Everyone, are you all telling 6? Correct? So no, availability zones are 2, Divine. Okay, Divine, availability zone is 2, availability zone 1, availability zone 2. But you need to understand there are separate subnets inside the availability zone, like subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3, subnet 4, subnet 5, subnet 6. And see, for each layer, so this is first layer, web layer. How many instances are there in web layer? Web tier, 2 instances. Availability zone, 1 instance. Highly available, we tell na. So see, guys, the request is coming here. Okay, the request is coming here. It will go here, or it can go here. So it means highly available we are making. Scaling, highly available, right? Load balancer is also there, which is balancing the load, right? So you need to understand, see, the load is coming here and it is distributed. For each tier, I am having 2 instances. Clear, everyone? For each tier, I am having 2 instances. Are you clear, guys? Yes, no? Can you all confirm? Are you clear? See, web tier, I'm having 2 instances, right? For app tier, I'm having 2 instances, right? And similarly for database tier, I'm having 2 instances. Clear or not, everyone? Yes, no? Okay, nice. Now all of you see here, once the subnets are designed, right, we will talk about load balancers and auto scaling group also, because that is part of our architecture. Okay, that is part of our today's architecture. Now you see, guys, users are there who are coming into the VPC, okay, who are inside your internet gateway. Okay, once they come into internet gateway, they are hitting load balancer, which is transversing the load between 2 availability zone, right? Clear, everyone? And there is a auto scaling group. Now, what is load balancer? With the name itself, you can understand that load balancer in AWS, load balancer in AWS is nothing but you will balance your load based on the traffic. Suppose 1 billion users are hitting on flipkart.com. What will happen? They will hit in the Flipkart, and each data, each routing will happen to the various servers, correct? Server 1, server 2, server 3. Now assume that there are 2 billion hits. Guys, what will happen? What will happen? Can anyone tell me? If there are 2 billion hits, what will happen? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what will happen if your 2 billion request comes? Actually, my servers can handle 1 billion requests on 3 servers. Okay, 3 servers. But suddenly 2 billion requests came. What will happen? Server down. Server down. How many of you say server down? Okay. How many of you say server down? High traffic, server down. Right, server down. Right, all of you see here. Now you are telling without load balancer, the server will be down. But assume that I have the load balancer. Okay. Then this load balancer will increase the load, guys. This load balancer will increase the load on the servers and it will add with the help of auto scaling group. Now, load balancer plus auto scaling group, right, will give you a different architecture where you can scale your servers based on the load. Okay, suppose 3 servers were hitting 1 billion requests. Now 2 billion is coming. The auto scaling group will add 2 more instances based on the incoming load. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay, comment label is distributed. Okay, yes, I have removed it. Yes, clear. Now are you all clear what will happen? Are you all clear? Now, how many components did we discuss in AWS till now? All we will create. Tell me one by one. How many components we have discussed till now? One was your VPC, your subnets, your auto scaling group, load balancers, internet gateway, auto. What is that? What is that? Public subnets, private. Yeah, private subnets, public subnets, auto scaling group, load balancer, internet gateway, VPC, right? Availability zones, right? These all things we have discussed, right? Correct. These all things we have discussed, right? Any other things we have discussed? Okay, we have not discussed. Now, all of you see here, very important interview question. In the load balancer, there are 3 types of load balancers, guys. Okay. Now, one is classic load balancer. One is application load balancer. One is network load. Now, tell me network load balancer. Now, tell me in today's hands-on, which type of load balancer are we going to use? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me which type of load balancer are we going to use in our today's hands-on? Which type of load balancer apart from 3? Can you tell me? ALB, VPC, subnet, internet gateway, auto scaling, availability zone. Which type of load balancer are we going to use in our hands-on? Application load balancer. Application load balancer. Application load balancer. Correct? So now you see what is the main difference between classic load balancer, network load balancer, and application load balancer. All of you see here. See, guys, for HTTP, I will use classic load balancer, but mostly classic load balancer is not used. For high network, I will use network load balancer. For HTTP and HTTPS, what is the type of load balancer I will use? Because I want to make my website more secure, layer 7 traffic. You see, HTTP, so HTTP TCP is which layer of traffic? There are various kinds of layers of traffic is there, right? Layer 4, right? Layer 4. Okay, this is layer 4 and 7. Both can be used, but we will not use classic. We will either go for network load balancer or we will go with application load balancer. Mostly we will use application load balancer which HTTPS traffic. Okay, so what we will do? We will take a load balancer, okay, and convert that load balancer into application load balancer and convert it into HTTPS. And this is how you get something like https://flipkart.com. Now you understood why this HTTPS is getting added for every website. Guys, are you clear? Where are you all? Clear? Clear? Yes? Okay. Now, shall we go with the architecture diagram? Shall we go with the architecture diagram of today's hands-on? How many of you are ready? Public subnets will not be there, Manasa, because we are trying to deploy all the things in private only. Okay, shall we go with the hands-on? Shall we go with the code, architecture, and hands-on? The next 30 minutes will be this one: code, architecture, and hands-on. Shall we go with this, guys? All of you are ready? Guys, all of you are ready? Yes, tell me a yes. Okay, I am ready. Are you ready? Super excited. I will give you Anshul. Okay, wait. Are you clear? What about people on LinkedIn? People on YouTube? Yes. Are you clear? Yes. Okay, guys. Please make the likes on YouTube as 300. Please, one small request. Right? Please make the likes at 300. If you are not seeing the likes, please make the likes as 300. Right? Once the likes 300 are completed, then I will go ahead with the architecture diagram. All of you on YouTube. No break in my class. Now we will continue. Na? You can take a break. Right? Please take a break. No worries. Right? आगे बढ़ो. यस, आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. भाई 300 लाइक्स कर दो यार यूट्यूब में, बढ़ जाएंगे आगे. क्या बोलते हो? मतलब 200 कर दो. चलो 200 कर दो. मेक इट 200. दैट्स गुड. ओके 250 कर दो. आई एम वेटिंग. यस, वी आर रेडी. ओके, ऑलरेडी डन. ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट. Okay. Nice. So many comments. Done. कितने हो गए अभी? 230, 250 कर दो. काफी है. I did 100. Okay. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. देवी और संजनो. और 20 लाइक्स. चलिए. चलो. Let's go ahead and start. Right? Okay, 5 more likes, guys. बस 5 लाइक बाकी है. 5 लाइक बस. बढ़िया. Okay, done. So all of you see, let's start with the. Okay, all of you see, let's start with the architecture. Then slowly I will go into the project. Okay. So all of you see, today's architecture is this one. So all of you see here, we have the AWS cloud. Okay. Then we have the VPC. Okay. Correct. In the VPC, how many availability zones I have? All of you comment it down. I'm watching your comment also. How many availability zones are there? How many availability zones in blue color? 2. How many availability zones are there? 2. Correct now? Yes? 2. Great. Now, tell me how many public subnets are there? Tell me. How many public subnets are there? 2 public subnets. Now tell me how many private subnets are there? How many private subnets are there? This is public subnet in green color. This is private subnet in blue color. Correct? Now tell me how many load balancers are there? How many load balancers are there? 1 load balancer, 2 load balancers. Correct? Yes? Great. Now tell me how many auto scaling groups are there? 1 auto scaling group, 2 auto scaling group, 2. Correct? Now tell me how many database is there? How many database is there? 2. How many database are there? Guys, type. 300 plus people are here. Why are you not typing? I will understand that you are able to understand this class. Yes? Correct? Are you understanding or not? Clear, everyone? Right. Now tell me why I need 2 same architectures. Why I need 2 same architectures? Yes? Why I need 2 same architectures, guys? Yes. Why I need two same architectures? Can you tell me? Availability, disaster recovery. What else? What else? Database, I will tell Siddharth. Don't worry. Or one private, one. So all of you see, guys, my load is coming like this. Okay. And it is evenly distributing. Okay. It is evenly distributing in both the availability zones. This is public subnet for UI, private subnet for databases. Are you clear? All the databases are always placed in the private subnet. And you see, this is my UI front end. This is my backend and this is my database. Okay. And each front end and back end are having one auto scaling group. Are you clear? Okay, sorry for that. Are you clear? Are you clear? Yes. This you are clear, na? Let me draw it here so that you understand what I was talking about. All of you see here? Okay, 1 second. कहाँ गया भाई? Acha, okay, no problem. I'll create one more. Okay. Now all of you see here, what is our need? This is VPC. Inside this, there are two availability zones. Okay, AZ1 and AZ2, right? And in this, there are public subnets, there are private subnets. This is UI, this is backend, and here only database is also there. Okay, and for the UI, there is a load balancer, there is a backend, there is a load balancer. Clear, everyone? Right? Now, all of you see here, once you are seeing this, what are the components of today's architecture? All of you see here, guys. One VPC is there, two public subnets are there, two private subnets are there, two auto scaling groups are there, 5 security groups are there, 2 load balancers are there, one private load balancer and one public facing, one internal AWS facing, 2 private EC2 instances are there, 2 public EC2 instances are there, 2 NAT gateways are there, 2 elastic IPs are there, one database is there. Clear, everyone? Now, what is NAT gateway? I will tell you in a little bit of time. But are you clear? What are the components we are going to create from today's class? Are you clear? Yes? Great. Nice. Let's move. Okay. Now, let's move to the hands-on, right? So let's start with the hands-on, guys. So all of you see here, this is our, all of you, I'm giving this to you, right? Okay. I'm giving this repository to you, right? All of you, please don't do anything as of now. Once the code is review, I mean, the code walkthrough is done, then I will share. Okay. Now, all of you see here, all of your eyes on the screen, don't write anything. All of you, remove your hands from the keyboard. Don't write anything, all of you. Now see, this is application tier folder. Okay, this is application tier folder. Okay, this is presentation layer. I mean UI. This is backend. Okay, this is shell scripting automation. Okay, and this is Terraform folder. Okay, now first I will show you Terraform folder. All of you see here, I told you, right? Modules. Inside module, I am having database, correct? So let's go inside this. Now, every time when you want to create any component, there are these 3 main files will be there: main.tf, output.tf, and variable.tf. Let me see what does this have. See, create RDS instance. All of you see, guys, right? Now, database is present in which subnet according to our architecture? Database is present in which subnet? Guys, database is present in which subnet? Private subnet? Yes, guys, are you all there? Database is present in which subnet? Private subnet, correct? Now you see, all of you see here. So what I am doing now, I am having a resource AWS subnet group, right? And I am attaching it to the subnets. Okay. And you see the subnets ID are coming from this one. So wherever you see var dot, this var dot is coming from the variables file present in the same modules RDS folder. Are you clear? Now let's see variables.tf var.subnets. Now you see, if I search here, see guys, subnets is a list of subnets are coming, and from there we are selecting all the subnets which are associated with the database, private subnets only. Now you see security group. Now security groups, all of you tell me MySQL, what is the port of MySQL? Guys, all of you tell me what is the port of MySQL. If you install MySQL database, the port of MySQL is 3306. Yes or no? So you see resource, security group, and what is the name of the security group? RDS-SG. Any name you can give. Description VPC. I am attaching this security group to VPC, which I have created in the vpc.tf. Okay. Now, the security group has two components. One is inbound rules and outbound rules. Let me take you to the AWS console. I will show you what a security group looks like. So all of you see here. Okay. So all of you see here, the security group has something like inbound rules and outbound rules. Are you seeing inbound and outbound, right? Inbound and outbound. This is a security group. So in the vpc.tf also, you need to add inbound rules. It means 3306, and outbound rules is allow all. Inbound 3306, outbound allow all. Clear everyone? Now similarly, you see guys, for database, what are the parameters I need? I told you na, DB name, DB password, DB username. Do you need all these things to create a database? Guys, tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. Do you need this? Guys, tell me, to log in into a database, do you need a database username and password? Yes or no? Right? From where these passwords are coming? You see, see DB password, right? Right? DB password. And what is the other thing? DB username, right? Search like this, DB username, right? Clear? And all the parameters are coming from another file. I will tell you. Okay. And you tell me one thing. Do I need the MySQL version also? Guys, do I need the MySQL version also? Let's see. So tell me, what is the version? See guys, what is the version I am using? From Terraform tf vars file. There is a Terraform tf vars. Okay. From there, you are getting the engine version. Are you clear or not? See all these things. DB password is what, guys? My good password. DB admin name is what? This one, right? Storage is how much storage we are giving? 10 GB. And micro instance we are using. And what is the version? 5.7.3.1. Clear everyone? Guys, are you clear? Are you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, guys. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. Okay, great. Now, all of you see here, once we have completed this modules, right? Tell me, I have created an RDS module. Now I need to use it in my code, right? So let's see where in the Terraform code I am using that module. See, are you seeing something like, where is that? RDS.Terraform. See, I using here? See, module. Whenever you create a module, you create like this. Okay. You call in the parent file and you call that module name, module RDS, and you get all the data. Here, it means you are passing this values to that directory. Are you clear, everyone? Everyone clear? People on LinkedIn, why are you all silent? Are you able to understand? Yes? Good? Good, everyone? Clear, guys? Great, right? Nice. Now, all of you see here, once you have done this, okay, let me go to the Terraform folder. Okay, so what are the other components are there? I will close all these things. Okay, what are the other components are there in Terraform? ec2.tf, load balancer.tf, outputs.tf. Now, outputs is one of the important thing. So what I am getting, see, aws_lb dot, when you say this, it is the name of the load balancer. Okay, so you see here, you see somewhere. So all of you see here, what is the resource I am creating? AWS core _ load balancer, and the name of the load balancer is what? Front end. And in the output, you see, right? In the outputs.tf, how I am calling the name of the resource, okay, and the actual name which you have given. When you say .dns name, at the end, we will get the load balancer URL in the output of the Terraform. Clear, everyone? Are you clear? I am using Visual Studio Code, okay, VS Code. I am using Visual Studio Code. Now, are you clear with this one, right? Now, once you have understood, see guys, my intention is you understand few things, that's fine. After this class, you will have the access to see, na? Correct, na? You will have access to see the code, right? All of you can go ahead and see, right? And all of you understand this is the presentation tier. All of you see, presentation tier is what? UI. Okay, now in the UI, you see there is a Docker file, there is a source code folder, and in the source folder, you see there is an index.js, JavaScript. Now you see guys, the index.ts, this is what? Application layer, matlab business logic layer. So business logic layer is talking with which service? So all of you see here, my where is my architecture? Okay, tell me my business logic app. Okay, presentation layer, business layer, and database layer. Okay, now all of you tell me, the presentation layer will talk with business layer, the business layer will talk with database layer. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Correct, na? Simple. Now all of you see here, the presentation layer, right? I will first show you the presentation layer. Okay, now first see the UI. Okay, in the UI, what is there, guys? In the UI, it is telling if I am hitting /init. All of you see the UI code. Suppose I am hitting /init on the URL, right? Now, what it is doing? It is hitting the backend. Okay, it is hitting the backend load balancer. The backend load balancer is what? The presentation layer load balancer. And the presentation layer, I mean the application layer load balancer, is hitting database. All of you see, there is a connection getting created, and once you are telling init, see, it is what it is doing. Is it sending into the database? Yes or no, guys? So I will tell again. From UI, when you hit like this, www.flipkart.com/init, all of you see here, the /init will first hit the UI, correct? And this UI is hitting the application layer load balancer. And in the application layer load balancer, you see what it is doing? It is hitting the database. Are you all understanding? Are you all understanding, guys? Yes or no? भाई लोग समझ में आया आप लोग को जो बोल रहा हूं मैं? वेरी साइलेंट. ठीक है, थोड़ा बात करते हैं आप लोग से. समझ में आया कि नहीं? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? I want you to understand the flow. Don't go with code. Yes, got it? Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear? Everyone? What about others? People on LinkedIn? GitHub link I will share in the Telegram group soon. Okay. This document will be rolled out in the Telegram. समझ में आया? Great. Now all of you see what I am doing. Okay. Now application layer is done, presentation layer is done, and each of the layer is getting converted into a Docker file. Okay. This Docker file I will tell you in the next class as we go ahead. Okay. But as of now, just understand that this Docker file is helping us to containerize. Okay. So what I am doing is, all of you see here, I will tell a little bit of time. Okay. Now all of you see here, there is an application of 10 GB code, okay, which is in the GitHub repo. Correct? Now this application is converted into 10 MB code and deployed on the phone. How? Means in between, this application is created an image with the help of Docker and then converted into a container and then deployed onto AWS and then converted into 10 MB and deployed onto phone. Are you clear with the flow? So Docker is helping your application to convert into a container and then you deploy that container into load balancer, AWS. Okay, this container is deployed on AWS. Clear? So there are some steps which you need to follow, but as of now, just understand Docker has a Docker configuration file. So this is that, right? I will not go into deep, but as of now, let's see the working hands-on. What is container? Okay, let me tell you, all of you see here, when you want to convert your 10 GB code into an image, you need a Docker. You need a Docker. Okay. And once you convert your Docker into a container, image into a container, you again need a Docker. So here two things are parallelly working. That is your image and container creation. Container is nothing but your application jar is converted into a container. Container is a Linux machine. I will tell you as we go ahead. Okay, clear? Got it? Crystal clear. Now, great. Now, all of you see, there are two shell scripts here. All of you see here. One shell script is to delete the repository which has been created. One shell script, what it is doing, all of you see here, it is automatically doing everything for me. All of you see what you need to do. See, when I'm running this script, I will go into the steps also, but just see this shell script is logging into the Amazon repository ECR. Amazon ECR is repository, right? ECR, I will tell you, all of you see here, US West 1 ECR, right? This is basically a registry where you store the images. Okay, this is basically a registry where you store your images. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, right? Got it? Right? Now, all of you see here, right? In this shell script, what I am trying to do, all of you see, I will show you the code. Now, see guys, there is some export command which is exporting this particular variable. Account ID, we are generating the account ID of AWS. Region, I am setting US East 1. So all our architecture in AWS will be created in which region? US East 1, because I have hard coded here the value. Clear, everyone? Now, the second thing is, as of now, if you see ECR is empty, all of you see here, get started. ECR is empty, right? There are no repository, empty. Are you all able to see? This is just like your Docker Hub, okay, in the ECR. Now, see here, everyone, AWS ECR, okay, I am logging into the ECR and I am creating the repositories. Two repositories I am creating, one for UI, one for backend. Are you clear? There are two repositories we are creating, one for UI, one for backend. And what we are doing, building and pushing the application image to the repository. So here architecture is nothing but All of you see here how the architecture is like this. All of you see here, the architecture is, I have an ECR. There are repo 1, repo 2. I am creating 2 repos, okay, and I am sending the UI image into one repo, backend image in another repo. Clear, everyone? Right? I'm not going rocket science here. These are just basic things only. Clear? Yes? Is it clear, guys? Right? So this shell script is creating 2 repository. One repository for first UI, second for backend. And you see what it is doing, CD, it is going into this folder and it is running the Docker file. All of you see? And it is sending into the Docker repository, ECR repository. Okay. These are Docker commands. As of now, my humble request, if you don't know Docker also, that's fine. In coming classes, I will tell you. I wanted to make sure you understand on a holistic view कि भाई automation कैसे करते हैं. Are you liking the class or I am going beyond your imagination? Tell me, guys. Are you able to understand or I am going beyond your knowledge or beyond your thinking? Any fresher who is facing issue? Tushar, you are in the, okay, Tushar ko samajh mein nahi aa raha, theek hai. Able to understand? Great. Now, very simple. Okay, once this shell script is done, what we are doing? So guys, again I am telling, very, very simple. All of you see here. See how many applications I have? 2 applications, UI and backend. These 2 applications, with the help of Docker, okay, I am converting into an image. Correct? Everything is with the help of this shell script only. Okay, and I am converting into, and I am sending that image into ECR repo 1 and ECR repo 2. Okay, sorry, ECR repo 2. Correct? And everything is done with the help of ECR.sh. Clear, everyone? Right? So now, if you are done, let's start the hands-on. Let's see how the architecture is created. Okay, another 10 minutes, we will complete the architecture. Okay, all of you see here what I'm going to do. Very simple. In the hands-on steps I have kept. All of you see this hands-on steps. By the way, I have kept Docker also, just see, okay, when you get time. Create the AWS account. Those who don't have the AWS account, create your account. Okay. Now, step 1 is run this below command in the Visual Studio. I will add this software also where you can download and everything. So all of you see here. All of you see here. I am in which folder, guys? Terraform 3-tier architecture. Now what I am asking? I am asking you to give the permissions. Run this command. Just run this command. And once you have run this command, so it means set up, where is that? 1 second, huh? Okay, okay. chmod setup users. हाँ, here है ना? देखो इसको access दे दिया. We have given this access. Now what I am trying to ask you, run this on the terminal to create ECR repo and to create images in local. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, all of you see here. Now my task is done. Okay, all of you see logging into the ECR. Okay, now shall we see whether it is creating the ECR repo or not? All of you see here. Let's see. No repository still now. So guys, did it create 2 repositories or not? Guys, are you understanding? Are you understanding, everyone? There are 2 repositories which we created. Okay. Not understanding? Okay. Okay. Okay, one thing. Those who are freshers. Okay, 1 second. Okay, all of you see, those who are freshers, I would request you to go over the slides one more time, just one more time for me after I upload in the Telegram group, right? Just go one more time. And guys, trust me, you will love the delivery of the things. No one will tell you all those things in one single go, but I have added everything. I don't want you to mug up anything, but what my request is, end to end, you just understand. That's it. Okay, you don't need to execute anything, but if you are understanding the class, that's what I need. Okay, okay, nice. Now all of you see here, the repository has been created. So in that repository, the images are there or not? Okay, images are not there. What happened? Okay guys, one more thing, in the local laptop you need to run Docker also. Okay, I will give all the steps of the installations also. Just wait. Okay, so Docker should be there na, to containerize the image, correct? Now Docker has been started. Now I will run the same command. Let's see if my images are getting created and pushed. See guys, there are two repositories, one for backend, one for front end, and two images because we have two applications. Okay, so let's see. Okay, still it is not creating. Okay, so guys, see that image is taking time. Are you able to understand? Everyone, guys, beautiful concept. All the DevOps concepts I have dumped into this project only. I'm not sure how much you are able to grasp, but yeah, this is really one of the best project. You know, like it will be blast. Okay, okay, clear everyone. Okay, now see, you are creating this Docker image, right? Okay, another 10 minutes, we will complete this, everything. Okay, so now you see if it is there or not. Okay, so guys, image has been created. All of you are seeing there are two repositories, two images. See? Okay, here also it will come, but here it has come, right? So now you see the next one is getting created and it is getting pushed. Are you seeing? Yes. Great. Agreed. Great. Nice. Okay, clear. Till now, everyone is clear, right? Now you see, okay, it has completed. Okay, it has completed. Now you see, let's see if the images are pushed here or not. Okay, second image also pushed, right? Now, once you have created these two, what is the next command, next step you need to follow? All of you see here, this is done. Okay, now go to Terraform folder. Just this slide, guys. See, I will do this Terraform init. I will go into the Terraform folder, cd Terraform init. That's it. My task is done. See, once the Terraform is initiated, you see, I have told you there will be a modules folder getting created. The initialization of plugins will come. The AWS, see, everything is done, right? Okay, now everything is done. Now you see what is the next command? Plan. So let's plan it, guys. Let's plan the architecture. What is that? Storage. Okay, I will not go with this because it's asking me some values. Okay, why it is asking me values? I got it. So let me see where is the error. One second. Okay, now all of you see here in the plan. right? In the plan or in the apply, it is giving me that this many resources are to be created. Are you able to understand how many resources are getting added, guys? 39. Yes or no? 39 resources it is going to create for me. Now, if I say yes here, all of you see, if I say yes here, now, just it, all of you leave it. Now you see, what are the things it is creating? AWS VPC, roles, policies, instances. Now let's see one by one, whether it is creating a RDS database or not in AWS. All of you see here? Now, do you see any database instances here? Guys, all of your eyes on the screen. Another 5 minutes, I need your time. That's it, we are done. Are you seeing this one? Are you seeing any database? No, right? Now you will see, after we run this command, everything is completed. You will see the database getting up. Okay, and you will see, this is ECR, right? EC2, okay? According to our architecture diagram, how many EC2s will be? How many EC2s, guys? Where is that? 2 private EC2, 2 public EC2. Total 4 EC2s I need, right? Total 4 EC2s. So let's see in the EC2 whether I have 4 EC2 or not. Let's see. It will run. Okay. Let's see. Let's wait. Another 5 minutes, guys. Okay. Another 5 minutes. I will show you end-to-end demo. End-to-end another 5 minutes. Okay. Everyone. Now, okay. It is taking time. Yes, guys, you can definitely tell everything in the interview. Why are you thinking that you cannot tell? You can tell everything in the interview. See? Okay, till it is. Oh, okay, okay. 1 second. Okay, I'm in US West 1 or where it is getting. Okay, it has not come. It is creating load balancers, guys. After load balancer, it will create EC2. I don't see EC2 anywhere, right? So let's wait. RDS is created directly with the modules. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Still taking time. Okay, let's see whether the VPC is created or not. Okay, this is our VPC, guys, which has been created, main VPC. It will not be default one. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? See, main folder, VPC, it is not a default one, which we have created now. Okay. Clear? It will take so much time because database creation is there, guys. Database create. Now you see it has come. See, 1 instance, 2 instance. Are you seeing now? 2 instances for presentation and 2 instances for database. Oh, sorry. What is that? UI. ओके एप्लीकेशन सॉरी बैकएंड ठीक है और 2 भी बनेगा अभी रुक जाओ अभी आरडीएस भी बनेगा देखो यहाँ पे आरडीएस आप सर्च करो डेटाबेस को डेटाबेस भी बनेगा आपके लिए अभी अभी बनेगा नहीं अभी बना नहीं है बनेगा अभी ठीक है क्या बोल रहा है cannot find version beautiful now this error I wanted to show you now it is telling it cannot find version 5.7.31 for the database now what you have to do guys see go to the AWS ओके आरडीएस भाई लोग देखो एक बार ब्यूटीफुल ट्रबल शूटिंग अभी बता रहा हूं आपको आप जाओ डेटाबेस पे आप बोलो क्रिएट डेटाबेस मैन्युअली ठीक है आप सेलेक्ट करो माई एसक्यूएल अब देखो इसमें कौन सा वर्जन अवेलेबल है 5 पॉइंट क्या एरर आया था हम लोग को 5.7.31 नहीं है करके बोल रहा है ठीक है इट्स नॉट देयर नाउ यू सर्च वेदर इट इज 5.7.31 इज देयर गाइस 31 इज देयर और नॉट All of you tell me please. अब मेरा एनर्जी के साथ खेलो मत आप लोग, जल्दी बोलो. 5.7.31 is there or not? Tell me. Guys, कहाँ हैं आप लोग? है कि नहीं? Not there ना? तो हम लोग को कौन सा सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए बताओ? आप ही लोग बताओ कौन सा? Which one we will select? So let's select 5.7.41. Okay, let's see if it is allowing to create or not. So let's search in the code. I will push this code. I wanted to show you the errors actually. Okay, so let's see. All of you see, this is the version. Now I will make it 5.7.41. Okay, now let's run the same command terraform apply. Okay, let's see now if it is creating the database or not. Okay, we have to say yes. See guys, now you see whether the database is getting created or not. See guys, 1 of 40 instances. Are you able to see or not? See, Terraform 2023 creating MySQL dbt3 micro. Where is this coming from? See in the code. See, search मारो, Terraform wars पे है ये कोड. ठीक है, इसको रिफ्रेश करो, आपका डेटाबेस कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. All of you are able to understand? Now I will show you the endpoints of load balancer. Now you see under EC2, you go, now you have to check load balancer also, na? Okay. Okay, great. Now you see here load balancers. Under this load balancers, how many load balancers will be? Guys, tell me according to the architecture, how many load balancer? 2 load balancer. Correct? Correct. It is still creating database. Right? Great. Great, Praveen ji. Great. अभी बन रहा है. Database बन रहा है. We will take some time. Okay? Database बन रहा है. Let it बनने दो उसको. ठीक है? 2 load according to my architecture. I have written here now what are the components I am creating. 1 VPC, 2 public subnets, 2 private subnets, 2 auto scaling groups, 5 security groups, 2 load balancers, 2 EC2 instances privately held, 2 EC2 instances publicly held, 2 NAT gateways, 1 RDS instance. Okay, Taiwo, sorry for that, right? Sometimes I use Hindi. Sorry for that. Yes, it's very simple, Taiwo. Okay. Now let's see whether the database is still creating, guys. Let me check in the RDS. Okay, it is still in creating mode. Let's take some time. Okay. Now, one more thing. Okay, it's creating. Guys, don't leave the class. Love from Maharashtra. Great. Guys, tomorrow's project, you know what is tomorrow's project? All of you know what is tomorrow's project? Do you know tomorrow's project at 4 p.m.? What is tomorrow's project? Can you all tell me what is tomorrow's project? Okay, tomorrow's project is on AWS EMR. Basically, your data related things we will discuss. AWS data. Okay, data handling we will see. Okay, and we will see EMR, Spark jobs, Python, right? And little bit of DevOps concepts. Docker also I will include here. Clear everyone? ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं RDS create हुआ कि नहीं भाई, इतना टाइम ले रहा है. It's taking more time now. Let's see. Still it is taking time. DB है, DB, it needs more power. So don't leave the class. Another 5 minutes, we will complete it. Okay, great. Now all of you see here. Okay, appreciate your work. You made our weekend perfect. Great. One of the best projects. If any mentor gives you this project, tell me. Okay. Great. Nice. Love you from Veina. Great. Great. Nice to see. Okay, another atom bomb. Yes. Now you see, okay, it's still creating. Let's see. Now, from the front end only, I will send the data. Okay? From the front end, I will send the data to my database. Okay? Clear, everyone? From the front end. Okay. Manasa is telling this. Okay, Manasa is telling she has paid 92K for a reputed consultancy. Okay. Okay, you understood many things, right, Manasa, with this class? Great. Now database is still getting created. Where is that? Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, your database is available. Awesome. Now it should complete. Okay, it should complete the things. Now it is creating auto scaling group. Now let's see whether, okay, at the end it should give me something. Okay, Devops by Telugu. Who is this? Let's see. Okay, 10 subscribers. Great. Okay. Nice to see. Greetings from Bolivia. Okay, so many people are here. Love you all. Greetings from Bolivia. Okay, nice. So many countries, people are here watching us, right? And definitely it will be helpful, right? Andhra Pradesh. No problem. If you don't know also, you can join. Yes. Okay, guys, all of you see, it has completed. Now what I got, output, I got it. All of you see, I will hit this output on the UI. All of you see, guys, it should give me the IP address. It will take a little bit of time. So guys, it has given me the IP address. Okay, all of you see the IP address of front end. Okay, the IP address of front end. Now you see, all of you see the IP address will change. See, guys, because load balancer. See, one IP address is 221, the other IP address is 190. Are you seeing, guys? Do you want to test it from your end? All of you hit my server. Jao, hit karo. All of you hit my server. Now, all of you hit my server. I have given the links. Go hit the server. All of you check, hit the server, crash the server, no worries. Okay, now you all see that. Now what is the next step we have to do? All of you see in the this thing, once the load balancer front end is hit, you have to hit this command to initialize. Okay, all of you see here, I will just add a init command to send the data to the database. Okay, all of you see here, see, init step done. So it means the database has taken the data. Okay, now what is the third command you need to execute? Okay, all of you see here, what is the third command? If you hit /users, it will give you the user data which has been passed via init. Okay, all of you see here, this data is coming from MySQL database. Guys, you all are hitting, huh? See, if you are hitting means, see why it is coming this many times. You all are loading my server. Guys, those who are on LinkedIn, are you getting? See, if I type again user na, see, you all are hitting that endpoint, this endpoint, right? In it. That is why it is creating the data. Are you clear? See, guys, awesome. The beauty lies in the project. Are you able to see? Are you able to understand the flow? Are you getting what you need? Right now, one more thing before you see, one more last thing you have to do. Once you have tested, everyone tested, right? You want this also, users, you want to check the load balancer users data. All of you take it. Load balancers data. This all data will be sent to the database actually. Okay, now, okay, all of you, before you complete this, there is one command you need to do, that is your Terraform destroy. Okay, with this all your components will be deleted. So let me do it. I will just relax myself. Okay, now it is deleting all the things. Now meanwhile, let me know in the comment section, did you like the hands-on project end-to-end flow, and tell me how you felt. Now I want everyone comments, because for me the comments are like you can consider like everything. Okay, so I'll take a small this thing. So yes, we have started almost like 400, 500 people were there in the live. But yeah, how did you felt this class? Excellent. Okay, good work. Greetings from Kenya. Like the way you teaching, right? Good work. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. You liked it, all of you? Great, great, great. Nice. So I hope this Terraform project with modules, with AWS, Docker, shell scripting, yes, had so much fun. Great, 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 great. Very much people on LinkedIn are also there. People on LinkedIn, what do you feel? It's good, right? You liked it. So do join tomorrow's session on AWS EMR data related things, right? Great, right? So let me do one thing. All of you see here. Okay, it is asking for a yes. Okay. Meanwhile, guys, all of you. So it is good, right? You all learned a lot. Great. Now all of you see here. What I will do, this document I will roll out in the Telegram group. Now those who are not there in the Telegram group, people on YouTube, right? You will get the Telegram link. Everyone, people on LinkedIn also, you will get the Telegram link right under this video. If you go here, right under this video, the Telegram group link is. Okay, so you have to come to here, DNA Unleashed group, where you will get documents and additional documents also for you to learn. Clear, everyone? And guys, love from Anits. Great. Okay, great. Now one more thing, guys. Okay, awesome, great. Now before you leave, there is one important thing. Anyways, I will delete everything. The Terraform destroy will be running. Now all of you guys, see, I'm sharing screen. So one more thing is there. So as you all know, we have migrated all our data and all our like courses into this platform. Okay, this is my owned platform. I have started this, and this has been initiated this month only, right? And this is our brand logo, right? So you see on the PPT everywhere the brand logo is there, right? So this thought process has been kept very purposefully, very meaningfully. Now all of you see here, just one thing I would like to tell you, right? This platform has helped people to get placed in Walmart, Zynga, Flipkart, Infosys, Deloitte, and many other companies, even Cisco also. Now if you see the highest package in batch 4, any batch 4 students, by the way, here, any batch 4 students in this class, guys? Yes, any batch 4 students? Anyone? Okay, meanwhile you type it. So guys, I would like to tell you, in batch 4, the highest package touched was 36 LPA. Now I have started batch 5, which is going to end, this registrations is going to end in next 5 hours. It means 11:59 p.m. this price will be rolled out to the next price. Now you all know that this was launched in Wednesday last class, right? In last class, many of you are part, but with limited seats, I would request you all to go ahead and check and see, guys. It is starting from November 4th, 2 weeks left from today. 2 months plus course will be there. Saturday and Sunday live class, 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. 3 hours class will be there. 8 p.m. IST every Wednesday or Thursday, doubts clearing session will be there. Recording will be provided for 2 years. Everything Python will be there. Basics to advanced will be there. And projects, you see, guys, 12 plus projects we have kept. And this I will update. More projects I will add. Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, shared library project, Docker advanced project, Kubernetes project, Python real-time programming, chatbot automations, which I have done in Walmart. This is my Walmart's project. Shell scripting real-time scenarios, Kubernetes cluster monitoring with RBAC, Grafana, Helm, whatnot, AWS architecture with Terraform creation, Python Django application with Terraform, Ansible automation, Red Hat Linux system administration, GitLab CI/CD. Tools you will learn are plenty of tools. Now you see my students have placed in various companies. Now any doubts, any queries, you can check here. And if you want to enroll, right, you have to click on this link. And guys, all of you, please download our application. Our application is live on iOS and Android, right? Now you see, once you say click on book now, the coupon code will be automatically applied and people from all over the world can take it. Now in the earlier batches, if you see, right, there was limited things, no HD clarity was there. People were facing issues. Now that is why we have rolled out to the new platform. Now this platform is beautifully designed for the people in Pakistan. You want to register, you can register. People in maybe Canada, people in USA, people in Taiwan, anyone can register. Now one more thing I would like to tell you, limited seats batch, this one is going to be, and for the next 5 hours you will get this price. If you liked my teaching, my content, and guys, let me tell you, I have cracked many companies. So see, I have cracked which companies you can see in my YouTube playlist. I have cracked almost 35 companies in last 1 year. In last 2 months, I have cracked 10 plus companies. The company's name and the interview questions are here. Again, I would like to tell you, I have cracked Zeta, I have cracked Zoom, Ness. What else you see here? Adobe, Oracle, Density Exchange, Simpress, Calyx. All my interview questions are here. And Adobe, obviously, Yulu. And I went into Myntra office and see system design round. I was giving system design round. You will learn with me all these things at only cost 4550. If you are getting a job, you don't need to give me anything. So all of you, please open this website. All of you, those who want to register, just follow this. All of you just search www.heydevops.in. I want to take you through the website, which is my new organization, right? All of you, those who want to register, guys, all of you see here, I have pinned the channel link. I have pinned. All of you open www.heydevops.in. I will take you over the website. All of you have opened, guys. All of you have opened. Those who want to enroll, all of you have opened. Yes, no. What do you think? All of you have opened, guys. Are you there? Yes, no, no comments. Are you all seeing the website? Okay, great. You can definitely understand the hands-on. Definitely, my guarantee. Hey DevOps, how it is looking? All of you have opened it, right? Now you see, once you have opened, right, you see the clarity of the website is good. My students' highest package visa. Now you see the students' testimonial also I can show you, which I have taken screenshot in the class. I can show you here. Somewhere the students' testimonial will be here somewhere. Somewhere, okay, 36 LPA she was telling in class. She got it. Okay, I'm not telling like anyone from batch 4. Okay, placements providing, definitely I will support with the data you need to crack the companies which I cracked. Okay, so all of you see here, all of you have opened the www.heydevops.in. You go into the courses, you click here view course, and you say book your seat. It will take you, anyone can enroll. USA, Canada, Pakistan, any country you can enroll with less cost, guys. And again, I am telling, next 5 hours this price will be changed. If you all liked my teaching, see, I am putting so much efforts. I will share these documents for free, everything. I'll be your mentor for next 3 months, right? This month and November and December also, right? If you follow this properly, my course, my 5.0 course, you will be amazed to see so many things will happen. My students like this. See, I will show you with the student. I have taken a picture in Walmart itself. See, this picture you see, I have taken in Walmart. My batch 1 student was in Walmart. How are you looking? Yes. See, guys, clear? Are you able to see this batch 1 student? I have taken picture from Walmart. These are previous batch students, right? See, so many testimonials. See, one student has got job in USA, right? And people are amazed to see what they will get here, right? Clear? Mercedes-Benz, all the different companies are here, right? There are no prerequisites. I will teach you from basics to advanced. Today, little bit of advanced core topics, but if you see the project section, week 1 section, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, and bonus mock interviews, interview questions. My interview questions, which I have cracked all the companies in last 2 months, I will share with you. Zeta, Zoom, Google, right? Google, anyways, I have cracked in last before year. I have cracked not Google, Microsoft I have cracked. If you see the YouTube playlist, my YouTube playlist, you will see my all interview experience. Now tell me, which mentor in India would have cracked this many companies? Now you see my playlist, interview experience playlist. If you see, interview questions revealed Paytm. This was from Walmart. This was from Amazon. Rejection in Google. SAP, Informatica. All those companies I have cracked. Everything is here. Airtel I have cracked. Last year I have cracked 25 plus top product based companies. Every offer letter I have with me. In the last 2 months I have cracked 10 plus companies. Every offer letter I have with me. Right? So you need to understand how this mentorship will make your day change. Right? So that is what I need. If you all are getting, oh, you are in Walmart, Pradeep. Oh, great. That's awesome, right? That's awesome. Okay. Love from Pakistan. Walker, are you able to register? Last time, I think Ismail was not able to do it, right? I'm not sure. Okay, projects coding, I will teach you. I will teach you everything in the class. We will do the hands-on, because in the class, you will get 3 hours of time, right? So that's why the reason is. Now, those who are interested to enroll, let me know. I will be talking with you all. Those who are interested, let me know. Anyone who is, how is the website looking, by the way? The logo, the website, how it is looking, guys? Is it looking good, fair? Hey, DevOps, I'm calling you all. Hey, DevOps, you can join my community, right? Clan of community, right? Is it looking good? Yes. Is it looking good, guys? This one? Are you liking the UI? Okay, last 5 registrations with this code, Hey DevOps, right? At this price, we have already got registrations. Okay. Okay, timing is constrained. You will have the recordings, brother, right? You will have the recordings. If you go to the courses, if you go to the view course, if you go here, you see no prerequisites required, and class recording is there for 2 years validity with documents, projects, my class notes, everything will be there. Okay, so another 10 registrations left. I've got my update from the team. With this coupon code, right? With this coupon code, you are getting 70% discount, right? With this, if you click on book your seat, and guys, one more thing, if you go to the Play Store, you will get my app. You can watch on phone. So I am expanding my team also. Maybe later, once you clear all the what you call live classes, you will be able to understand that you are part of my team itself. This is the Hey DevOps app. You all can install on your phone, and you all can check all the live classes from your phone itself. We have enhanced everything from the previous batch. You are going to get much more than what you need. Clear? Last 8 registrations, guys. Those who are with me, right? Those who are with me, I'm giving you again this link. Very simple, very beautiful design. Course content is very much beautifully designed. Last 5 seats left. Those who are with me, you can register yourself. I have given this. Any questions? I'm interested in the course, but I have some question. Please ask Shubham. Those who have question, what's the price? The price is 4550. Prime batch 4.0 had different projects. This projects will be upgraded, guys. All of you, please listen. Whatever you are seeing, this projects, all the projects, at least few of the projects will be upgraded to next level, right? I have cracked in last 2 months this companies, so I know what people are asking from Myntra and every other company. See, I went to Myntra office and gave system design round. See, system design round. See, that people, they literally screwed me. See, CI/CD pipeline design, they asked me. Okay, so all those things I am giving you. I am giving you which I have cracked. You understand my ability. You understand my confidence. Last 5 enrollments left. If anyone is interested, it is based on Python. It is based on Node.js. See, Python, it is based on Node.js, and you will have Django. You will have Java also, and you will have Red Hat Linux system administration also. And those who don't know, I have cracked Walmart also, right? So you need to understand how my teaching will be. Still finding difficult to, okay, guys, from here you will not find difficult to get a job. Okay, why? Because I have cracked all the companies. I'll be sharing those interview questions. You will be getting all the things what you need. Clear? Last 5 registrations I am waiting. I'm just checking with my team what are the things that are needed. Okay, people on LinkedIn, if anyone is interested, the links are in the post itself, right? Or you can go into the Hey DevOps course also. Basics to advanced. Yes, this course is completely basics to advanced. You will get all the things what you need to crack a job. See, so let me tell you, right? There are many people who have got jobs, guys. See, I'm not telling anything lie. I have with photos. You talk with the team, na. See, you talk with the student Shubham. You talk with Mohit, Siddharth Patil, Narendra. You talk with Vijay Kiran, Gopi Krishna, who was in Walmart. You talk with this guy, 400% hike he got in my class, right? You talk with people in Verizon, right? You talk with this guy, Akshay. You talk with, I mean, she asked me to blur her name, so we removed it, right? So any other person you can talk and get the data, guys. This is one of the top-notch quality I'm giving you. You understood how the projects will be? It will be top-notch, top quality content, right? Yes, Shubham, I have 2.4 years of experience as software engineer in CGI, but I left my job due to some issues. Can you help me? Definitely, I am going to help you guys. Definitely, I am going to help you. Yes, Razorpay issue is resolved. I think you asked me, na? You asked me that we have mailed you also. So I think you need to use some other option. Okay. I know your name. I'm not remembering exactly. Yes, Shubham, you can definitely enroll. Okay. Great. Awesome. Now, all of you have installed the Hey DevOps app also. Guys, going forward, any free documents will be uploaded here also. You can be able to access. Have you installed Hey DevOps? No worries, Prashant. I am here. Now, tell me, guys, you all are understanding what we are talking? Yes, this is the course link. All of you see, just type heydevops.in. That's it. You will get my website. You will go to the courses. You will get to course, view course. Last 5 registrations, still someone is thinking. Now, totally 60 plus hours, 2+ months we are going to teach. Now, you will be October, you will be with me. Yes, batch 4 people can also join. Jay, definitely. The project will be updated. All the things will be updated. Yes, iPhone is also there, Natraj, Nagateja. Yes, definitely. Now you see, guys, iPhone or Android, you can install my app, right? And you can get all the data. Now, all of you see here, one good thing in this course is this projects will be on the next level. I will update few of the projects which no one will give you. No mentor will give you 36 LPA of package. If I show you that screenshot, guys, where is that? I wanted to show you. शायद इसमें होगा. 1 second, ना. Where is that screenshot? Yeah, okay. No, this is not the screenshot. Now, any batch 4 student can confirm. She has talked with me, na? She has talked with us. Any batch 4 student? Jay, I think you were there in the class. Batch timings, guys, batch timings, everything is here. So you click on courses, you click on course details. See, batch timings is what? 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. every Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Saturday, Sunday is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Wednesday is 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. I will tell everything what you need, and you will get a certificate. You will get course content here, week-wise projects here, and we see. I want you all to be different from other DevOps engineers. See, guys, in the market, people are giving you course for 8,000 to 1 lakh. See, but my content, you check the content, today's content, how it was. Tomorrow's content at 4 p.m. will be same way, and this month's content. And similar way, on this, you will be with me from October, those who are registering, November and December. Guys, tell me, 3 months is enough for you to crack or not? You will get the mentor who has cracked companies like Walmart, Amazon, SAP, Google. I was rejected in 3rd round. Anyways, that is a different story, right? What else? SAP, Informatica, Adobe. Guys, Adobe, I have cracked. What you need best packages, right? If you just give your valuable time. Yes, that is a paid one. Yes, this is a paid, where we are talking about the next batch which I am starting. The previous 4 batches were on this website. I hope you have seen this website. And guys, I am giving all the things. See, guys, this website, this price was more, but I am giving you much lesser price. My students have got placed in various companies: Dell, Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart. You have seen the proofs, right? I have taken the picture directly from my student. See, Who will take this kind of picture from the student, guys, in the company? Do you think? Yes, do you think? Who will take the picture like this? See, he was the batch 1 student. He only called me, Praveen, I want to meet you. Praveen, I want to meet you. I told I'm not going to meet you in office. But still, he asked me to call. He called me. We had a coffee. He had told me all his things, how he's feeling in Walmart. Right? 400% hike. Who will get 400% hike during this time, guys? And guys, I'll be very honest. I've cracked all these companies. And obviously, batch 4 people know. But yeah, I'm telling you also. Right? Very, very impactful things we are going to do. Last 4 registrations, guys. Last 4 registration. Those who are with me, they will get this cost, right? They will get this cost. Yes, you have done great. Inspired all the learner. Yes, Jay. Awesome. Awesome, Jay. Nice. Okay, Rinita, what is your question? Yes, registration links. No, all of you see, once you register your email, you will get all the Android app links, all the Telegram links, and all the Play Store links, and you can able to join. And see, guys, very simple. You need to register with your phone number only. The phone number, if you register, you will get all the data. Okay, all the data, and there also you can get it. Okay, no email, no problem, Abhishek. I will just check. Okay, I will check with the team. And guys, if you have any issues, you can drop an email to devopsbatch5@gmail.com. This email ID I'm giving you, right? This is the email ID you can contact to anyone, right? Now, all of you see, again, I will be telling. Now, how many of you have registered? To be honest, can you tell me? Invoice, yes, invoice is also there, brother. Don't worry. Invoice is also there. Everything you will receive in the bill, right, Majid? Great. Now, how many of you have registered from the class? Tell me. Yes, definitely, Yashwant. We will be with you in the doubts clearing. So, guys, okay, Praveen Bahubali, Captain America. So, Siddhartha is from batch 4, I think. So, I remember him. So, all of you see one thing in the doubts clearing session, right? Which is here. All of you see here. In the doubts clearing session, right? Where is that? In this, you will get one-to-one mentorship. If you have any issues, you can join. And here, you will be getting interview guidance mentorship also. Clear, everyone? Yes, received an email? Great. So everyone will be received an email. Everyone will be receiving an email. Okay? Clear? You have received an email, right, everyone? Great. Awesome. Now, all of you see, this will be the final call, right, for you all. Payment didn't go through. What is the issue you are facing, Stephen? What is the issue you are facing? Yes. Clear? Last 4 people, we are waiting for everyone to start. Last 4 people. Okay, great. Now, okay, all of you, please install the application also from the Play Store and keep it on yourself. So what I will do, going forward, you will get all the data here on the free part, right? Your documents, your learning materials, your assignments, your projects, everything will be here. Clear, everyone? So download this app from the Play Store and iOS. No, Alicia, as of now, my team is not hiring. We have hired also. Okay, hiring is completed, but for next time, we will do. Okay, clear, everyone? Email again. Okay, email you need. So guys, this is the email. Hey, DevOps batch5@gmail.com. Okay, this is the batch link which you can send email. And guys, join tomorrow's class at 4 p.m. Sharp 4 p.m. We'll complete the AWS data engineering part, Python, Docker, containers also. Okay. Clear, everyone? Right? Okay, great. Let me put this. Okay, great. Now all of you are clear? Clear with the things? Now, those who want to register, you have very less time because the price will be again increased, because this is all the launch for the community people, those who are interested, right? So once I make live on the public platforms like your LinkedIn or YouTube, right, going ahead, right, then the price will be changed again, right? Because At that time, we are keeping more efforts. This is for you all. You are interested, right? So that is why. And you get a certificate also, right? Once you complete, right? And any companies you want to see, everything is here, right? And all the data is here, right? See, all the FAQs are here. You click on FAQs, you will get it. Certificate, you click it. Course content, you click it. Course details, course content, week wise modules are here, guys. Okay, batch 5 will be completely different from batch 4. Okay, Shiva Shankar, yes, you are registered. We will check. Okay, we will check. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, guys, all of you see, have you received any WhatsApp ping with the registered number? Gautam? Yes, done. Great. Have you registered? Have you registered? How? Okay, great, nice. Please see in the WhatsApp, you will get a ping with the mail, okay, with the data. Also in the email, you will get it. Okay, interview question, guys. My interview questions, you will get it. Phase 1, phase 2, as I always tell in the batch 4 also I have told, right? You will get the recordings, you will get the interview questions, you will get everything what you need. Okay, great. MasterCard payment, it is accepting, right? Great, awesome, Majid, right, beautiful. Great. Now, any other questions? Guys, any other questions? I don't know Java. Java, we are not touching in our class. Have you seen anything Java here in the course content, guys? We are only touching what is needed for you to understand with the, okay, Java app. So in this app, you will understand basics of Java. We will not go in depth because being a DevOps engineer, you need to know everything what is important for you. Clear, everyone? Right? What is important for you, you need to know. Okay, great. Spring Boot microservice is also there. Yes. So somewhere it will be mentioned. So guys, we are dealing with most of the important things what you need for a job. So let me very much iterate for you all. Okay, where is this? Okay, you will get the mentorship from me and I will only teach the next 2+ months. It means October, November and December. You will be with me. Okay. Now, in this 3 months, we are targeting only top product based companies. Okay. And if you have any doubts, you can talk with any of the previous students, right? But make sure you are enrolling today night. The night time is 11:59 p.m. Only 4 seats with this cost, and afterwards the price will be increased. Right now, soft launch, there's all things you see, everything is in the website, very beautifully designed. You will get a logo and you will get a meetup also. Now, how many of you are in Bangalore? Tell me. App में सब कुछ मिलेगा ना? Yes, app में सब कुछ मिलेगा. If you are installing the app, you will get everything and log in with the registered number where you have done. Clear, everyone? Yes, correct. Python, here we will cover both basics and advanced. Okay. In App Store, application is not there. Lokesh, why you are telling this? See, App Store application is there, na? See, Devops, it's there. You need to install it. Okay. Okay. It's going to be batch 5. It's going to be batch 5. So you see, Prime batch 5.0, 100% job ready. Okay. 100% job ready course, and you will be with me. Okay, if you are not able to see the application in App Store, you can search for Hey DevOps. Okay, just copy this and in the App Store you search. This is the link. Okay, in the apps. Okay, clear, everyone? Abhishek, what is your question? I have mailed to email ID, no links or WhatsApp. No. Okay, if you are not received any WhatsApp link, that's fine. Don't worry. Okay, you will get the details. Okay, once you log in into the website with your phone number, right? Start learning all the details, beautiful dashboard, community. You can talk with each other, share the topics, share the data. Everything is there. Earlier, the community access was not there. Here we have shared everything. Now, one more good thing is there will be many good projects here, right? Very much good projects. Okay. Now, yeah, done. Now let's talk with some of the people. Now, those who want to talk with me, you can come here on the live StreamYard link. Another 5 minutes we will talk. Today's project is completed. Tomorrow's project, I have told you, right? You all have to complete at least going over the website. Okay, going website means, sorry, the document which I will be sharing in the Telegram group. If you need the Telegram group, you have to click on this youtube.com, go to my YouTube page, the live which is happening here right now. You will get all the details here, right? So I told you highest package is 36 LPA in the batch 4 only, and this is the Telegram link which you need to join. I will give this Telegram link in the YouTube. Okay, iOS it is not there. Okay, no worries. Shabnam, job market is not freeze. Who has told you job market is freeze? Now let me show you one thing. Okay, this was the session which I was taking like this Thursday to my batch 4.0, and you see I have noted all my students' names who are going to give interviews in various companies. You see, Geo, right? Citibank, Geo, Publicis, Sapient, Mega is there in Adobe. They are going to give interviews. Raghu, Uzafia, right? Trinad. See, guys, so many people are there who are getting into interviews this month only. They have the interviews lined up, so they asked me to help them. So I conducted a Thursday live class. See, all these notes are theirs only. Yes, IST. Yes. Yes, Majid, IST. Right? Anyone wants to talk with me? You can come. Okay, not here. You can come to this stream link. Okay, I'm sharing the stream link. Anyone wants to talk with me? You can come here. Okay. I have given the StreamYard link. Okay, great. Okay, Ravi Nadu, great. Promo code, why it is not working, guys? See, once you click on this, hey DevOps, right? You say courses, you click on this, automatically you have to book your seat. Automatically the coupon code will be applied. You don't need to do anything. Who is that who is facing offer issue? Hari, what is your issue? Can you let me know? न्यू बैच नवंबर 4 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. जस्ट 2 हफ्ता बाकी है आप लोग के लिए. 2 हफ्ता. न्यू बैच नवंबर 4 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 2 हफ्ता बाकी है. हरी, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द इशू विद द कोड? Hari, open in the incognito. It is already applicable. See, if you remove the promo code, the cost will come here like this. You don't need to enter also. It will be taken directly. Okay, see. Yes. 12 plus real-time projects, 3 hours plus core teaching, bonus session, 60 plus hours of live content, and everything will be there. Okay, Nilesh and Surendra. Okay, come on live. Okay, Monica. Okay, great. Yeah, you all can talk with me now. Yes, are you there?
Hey, hi, Praveen. Nilesh there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, hi.
Hi, Surendra. Go ahead.
Hello. Are you able to hear
Yeah,
me?
go ahead. Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. So I joined little bit today, but yeah, last was good, and I am happy to like say like yeah, the DevOps course is start like it's a starting for me, it's a start point. But yeah, I joined, and I will say after December I will be getting job as per like getting confidence from your like you're giving such like you are good mentor actually. Yeah, so I will try
Okay.
to make me perfect in this technology like
Sure, sure.
started in
Definitely.
yeah.
Definitely.
And just
Definitely.
wanted to one more thing like last week I had an interview with Vodafone for AWS. I work on like some EC2 S3 kind of thing. Okay, but they asked me like on the web driver, web logic and Tomcat and all for these
Huh.
EKS and all. So that will be covered right here,
Yes.
or
Tomcat. Yeah, that's
because
what, right?
it's a middleware part actually. It's I'm in
Huh.
support, but I just wanted to like
Yes. So I told you, right? I will be upgrading the project. So this time I'm planning to have web servers, app servers, your in-depth concepts of all the server related things also, so that those who are coming out from the support background can also get help more, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it.
Great, great.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank
Okay.
you. Yeah,
No problem.
thanks,
Yeah.
Yeah,
thanks, Praveen. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Monica, go
Hi,
ahead.
Praveen. Yep,
Okay. Who is this? Surendra. Go ahead. Yeah.
yep. I have two questions. Just now I registered your course, and I did from my German number, but later I would like to change my number. Is it
Ah,
possible?
yes,
Yeah.
it's possible. You just mail to this mail ID, hey DevOps.
Okay.
Okay, all of you, I will tell you 1 second. So those who have any issues, there will be contact us page here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here you see contact us. There will be a email. So you need to contact with that place. Okay, just email if you want to update anything. We will reply back. My team will reply
Okay.
back. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Great.
And one more question is, my timing is different. So you said we will start live at 8 p.m. So for me, it's office time. So how can I manage that one?
Huh. Recordings will always be available, but I would request you, right? Just manage time, right? Like you go early to the office, come back a little bit early, like that. Something for the next 2 months. You need a
Mm-hmm.
job, I will give you, but you need to spend little bit of extra efforts from your end also, right? So that is
Okay.
what I, right?
Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, Molika, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I'm from support role working as a Solaris administrator. Now I
Hmm.
want to shift this technology. Is this course is enough to change us to
Yes.
DevOps role or any other things I need to learn before coming to this
No,
course?
this course will be enough for you. The what I would tell is already my students have cracked various companies, whatever the logos you are seeing, right? And like mainframe student in the batch 4 crossed 30 LPA, right? And she talked in the last YouTube live also. So what I would suggest, you don't need any prerequisites, but only the intention to learn. And like today I given a document, right? You have to work on that. You have to go over everything, complete that project like that. You need to give your 2 months to me, then I will generate the success results. Already from batch 4, highest package is 36 LPA. One student got placed in Zoho, one student got placed in Avalara with 30 plus LPA, one student got placed in Visa with 36 LPA. And this I am not telling, you will soon listen from them on YouTube also. Okay,
Thank you.
no problem. See you in class. Bye. Yeah, Abhishek, go ahead. Abhishek, your voice is not audible. Okay, Swapna and everyone can join here. Okay, Abhishek, I'm not sure. You can drop off and join back, Abhishek. Okay. Ravi, go ahead. Yeah, Ravi, go ahead.
Hello. I'm
Yeah, Ravi.
yeah. Hi, Praveen.
Yes.
It's very nice session, Praveen. Actually,
Yeah.
uh, I have 7+ years of experience in Java development.
Hmm.
So I feel like somewhere I'm more interested into DevOps related courses and DevOps related work. So is it
Hmm.
right time to switch to completely to DevOps, or try to balance between Java and DevOps, or how it is driven? Because to my interest, I'm not very much core to the Java. I feel like I have to more dig into the system designing and data structures,
Hmm.
as I'm into Sound Plus. But if I want to go to DevOps also, as I am holding Sound Plus, there will be a similar expectations. So will the course help me, or wanted to know whether I'm taking the right decision to do
Yes.
complete
So
the
let
DevOps?
me be very honest with you. See, I would not suggest you to completely move into DevOps, but being a Java developer, if you want to increase your salary, let's take you are at 10 LPA with 6+ years of experience or 20 LPA. This DevOps skills are also mandatory because you need to know Python, you need to know Boto 3, you need to know AWS, how you are doing all the things from local, right? So all those things like Terraform, you need to know. So people are looking for everything. And definitely once you keep like Java plus AWS developer or Java plus DevOps engineer or pure DevOps engineer also, the packages will be more, right? So that's what I would request you to definitely join, right? But all the time, but anytime if you see the developer option plus DevOps engineer option is good. My recommendation, honestly. Okay.
Okay. So if I
Yeah.
go with completely DevOps, also the future will be good with this particular experience.
Future is
How
there.
it will be
See,
the career path.
you saw DevOps is there, Dev ML Ops is there,
Yeah.
Dev Chat Ops is there, Dev SecOps is there. So DevOps is also there. Always a small little bit of new portion will be added to this DevOps. Okay. So DevOps will not end. The future is good. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So yes, Abhishek, can you talk now? Okay, your earphones or some issue is there. I'm not sure. Some issue is there. Okay, who is the other one? Swaps. Shubham. शुभम बोलिए. शुभम. ओके, अनम्यूट कर दिया मैंने. शुभम बात करो. ओके, सुरेंद्र एम.
Yep. Yeah, Praveen. Already I'm working as a DevOps role, but I would like to explore advanced level, like much more in detail in all aspects. So that's why I joined this course. It will helpful for me, right?
Definitely, 100%. Guarantee
Okay.
is me only, right? So
Okay.
see, why I am telling all this time, right? You will get the mentorship from the mentor who has cracked already various companies, right? So that belief you can have. Obviously, that is the ultimate. uh, Anyone will look, right? If the mentor is not doing good, how he can teach others, how he can make others to go into
Yep.
36 LPA packages like companies
Yep.
like Visa, right? So you should be having that confidence, that is for sure. Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So, any other people who wants to talk before we end? I am sorry, Abhishek. I am not sure why your voice is not audible. Right? Yeah. For the people on LinkedIn, I am putting the comment. Okay. This what you call it, this platform. I am posting it on the LinkedIn, so those who are interested can join. Yeah. Okay. Shubham, not sure. Surendra. Okay. Mallikarjuna is there. Okay. Mallikarjuna, go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
Uh, Sir, like we are learning so many tools, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are learning Git, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, so many tools, Docker, Kubernetes, and we are also having so many services in AWS also. Like how to manage to learn everything and keep practicing. Like it's like jack like uh,
I understood. Jack
jack
of
of
all
all
trades.
trades and
Is it? Correct. So see, what I would suggest is market is looking for like that DevOps engineer, right? Market is looking for that kind of DevOps engineer only. So we need to be kind of that only. We need to learn everything which are needed for us to get a job, not all the other things. Okay. And that's what you will learn in my course, particularly in 5.0. And definitely the projects will be upgraded. So you will see soon. Okay. And for freshers, for experience, 100% this is going to be a game changer in your next 2 months of job search.
So one another thing is that so currently I am also working as a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
While learning these tools and technologies, I am getting some syndrome kind of uh, like how you are able to handle if you are in situations like
Okay. See, it means that you are not having confidence. Okay. It means that it's very simple. So you need to have the confidence to crack any of the company which you are thinking like, okay, I need to crack this, right? So that confidence I will give to you. Are you getting me? Right?
that. Yeah, yeah.
If you have confidence, you will not have the imposter syndrome. Okay, I'm not doing good right now. So yeah, so you will not have that imposter syndrome. That is for sure. Okay, so that is what you need to crack, and you need to be very much confident because competition is more, guys. In market, if you see, out of 10 engineers, one is getting successfully placed in any of the organization, maybe dream organization or any other product based.
Yeah, like in DevOps, the everything is internal, right? The infra and like the domain culture and everything is not like open source. So,
Where
how are you able to cope up with the new culture and new teammates? Like it's very like someone
no,
is staying for 15 years in a DevOps domain,
I will tell
same
you.
company.
I will tell you. See, this is more kind of a culture and fitment. Okay, we need to be a kind of person where we are coming out of that zone. Then only you will be confident. See how I am talking. So let's see. Hi Mallikarjuna, how are you? Are you doing good or not? Right? How is the day going on? What projects you have worked on? So you being a Mallikarjuna, you should be able to tell him, hey, hi Praveen, I'm doing it's absolutely good. The projects are really awesome. I've learned so many things. The confidence I got is next level, and I will definitely complete this project and come back to you stating that yes, Praveen, I have completed this project. So that is the confidence you need. Remove that culture fitment. Why are you thinking beyond? When you get into product based companies, you will get good package, good culture fitment, good benefits. your what kind of health benefits, everything, family benefits, everything is there. So definitely we are
Yeah,
targeting
and
for.
also this like if, I have 1 year experience. Right now, if, whatever the job applications that I have seen now, everything is asking for 2 years, 3 years, above 3 years, above six,
Mhm.
above
Mhm.
4 years.
Mhm.
So for freshers, how it will be happen to get?
Yeah. So for freshers, see, freshers, there are definitely job. So if you see on the company website, Zynga, that fresher was Zynga who has got placed in Zynga with 23 L. And recently in batch 4.0, who got in Zoho, right, with good package. Now opportunities are there. We need to go and find. And I will show you the door to find on LinkedIn or any other platform. Okay, Mallikarjuna? Okay,
Yeah,
so I've talked with you, taken more questions. So I see Sandeep has also joined. He was asking. So I will talk with
yeah,
Sandeep also, right? Okay, so before I talk with Sandeep, 1 second. So everyone, guys, 4 registrations left, right? And I see that you all are having so many questions. You all are bombarding with questions. I have also shared on LinkedIn chat both the stream link and the Devops platform link. So if anyone is interested, do check out. Yes, Shubham, go ahead. Sandeep, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Praveen. Thank you very much for this
No,
session.
no, I saw your comment continuous
Yeah.
right now.
Okay, so the reason is that like earlier I was working as a cloud engineer, okay, in the Nokia, and I joined a new organization. Recently, I'm in August, and the layoff happened. I joined as a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
So I have like good understanding of theory for a DevOps, means almost good in Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, Terraform, and Linux, and little bit Bash scripting, lagging on a
Hmm.
Python, and hands-on on this public cloud. Okay,
Okay.
so mass layoff happen. Okay, I'm also the part. Basically, all the joiners are the part of that. Okay,
Correct.
now I have two things. Either I should go to my previous organization, and definitely my salary will be less if I'll go there, and I have actually I started giving my interview to other company, but now scenario is like they are not looking just for a DevOps. They are looking for a they should have Java and microservice also along with the DevOps. Either Python and Bash scripting minimum requirement is there for the DevOps. Now
Okay.
I wanted to enhance myself quickly, and within 2 months I wanted to land on a good job. So the
Correct.
way I cracked DevOps earlier, but now I think coding is also included, so it's a little bit challenging now. So I want your guidance. Means I already purchased the course. Now how should I proceed? That's the
Yeah.
main concern for me.
So those who have purchased, I would request you all to join every weekend this classes first, right? So you will understand if you do these projects, this will be a base, right? And on top of this, we are building your entire block of knowledge. Okay. So 3 months down the line, if you see by December end or December January, by the time New Year
Mhm.
comes in, you will be able to understand कि यार आप में कुछ नया चीज आ गया, आप में ये कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि अब चलो वॉलमार्ट में बैठ के दिखाते हैं, लोगों को क्रैक करके दिखाते हैं कि भाई होगा कि नहीं. At least you give the interview in Walmart, you see whether it is working for you or
Okay,
not, right? Correct. So
right,
if you
right.
are getting failed, that's also fine. But at the end, are we sitting in that kind of companies? Is my resume is getting selected for that kind of companies or not? Is what our aim is, right? ठीक है?
Right. So I
Great,
have
great,
3 year and 3 month of experience. So I
good.
believe this experience is enough if I'll do some hands-on
More, more, and
to
do
land
today's
myself
project.
in a good company.
I would request you to complete today's project first.
Yeah, today,
Okay. Complete that and let me know.
Praveen,
Tag me on LinkedIn.
honestly telling, Mhm.
Tell
Sorry
me,
for
tell me.
that. Sorry for that. Honestly telling, when on a Python you showed me that okay API, okay, how it is communicating. So like this kind of backend thing, I'm really like complete blind person. How things
Mm-hmm.
are happening in the backend, right? So when you showed me that Bash script and the Python, two things, so I got much clear idea. Okay, I know that how can write, but I don't know how they communicate. So
Correct.
that sort of things I wanted to look in this batch. Okay,
But you
so
know,
oh,
in
mhm,
the Kubernetes project, I will again
mhm.
deploy 3 microservices, and I will show you how these 3 microservices are interacting with each other, and the JSON transfer of data is happening. So everything is there.
Mhm.
Big projects are there. So definitely it will be good. Okay.
Sure.
Great.
That then
Okay.
I'm much happy to take this course. I mean, I already
Definitely.
taking.
Definitely. Definitely. And join tomorrow's
Okay.
class. EMR, data engineering, Python
Sure,
again will be
sure.
there. That will be
Yeah.
helpful. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So yes, that's all for today's class. Stephen, just email if you have registered, and if you are not able to log in, don't worry, we will help you. Right. So guys, now all of you see last 3 registrations left. Now who will be that lucky 3 people? I'm not sure. So Abhishek, okay, Abhishek has tried many times. Abhishek, can you talk with me once again?
Yeah, hi. Are you able to hear
Great.
me?
Yes, I am able to hear you now.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah. So thanks, Praveen. So I made the payment, but I did not receive the email. Also, when I tried, when I logged in, I did not. I am still not able to see that I am registered. It shows me the 12,000 price only. I have made the payment already.
Okay, 1 second. So if you face any issues, I told you, right, you have to select this contact us, immediately drop an email. Team will help you with this. Okay, immediately drop an email and we will help you, and give
I
your
have dropped
register.
the email to that hey DevOps batch 5.
Okay, we will look into it, and we will take a look, and maybe probably by tomorrow morning we will sort out your issue. It should not be an issue, but we will sort
I
out.
have
No
sent
issue.
the payment ID and
Ah,
everything.
just your number is enough, because every login is happening with number, right? Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, nice. Okay, that was Abhishek. Swapna, I don't see you have joined. You are asking where you have joined, Swapna. So I will share you a link again, because Swapna is asking continuously. So let's see. Swapna, please join here. Swapna, if you are there, I will be happy to talk with you. Great, 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 Majid. And please do share the learnings on the LinkedIn once you complete all the projects. Okay, Kiran, we are covering AWS, right? We are covering AWS. Shubham, okay, Shubham, go ahead.
Yeah, hello, Praveen. Praveen.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, what I want to ask now that I have 2.4 years of experience as a software engineer, but I left my job for 2 years. That's the
Okay.
main concern. If I started to search the job, and one more thing that I'm not familiar with DevOps. I only know Core Java or Python something, but I'm not
Mhm.
familiar with DevOps. Whatever you taught me today, I learned. Okay, these things are working, but I don't know how the exact code is working. Means, I have to do all the things from scratch. That's the main concern I have.
Yeah. So I would be very honest with you. Today you saw, right? Today's
Hmm.
project was on the little bit of high level. But once you join the course, it will be from basics to advanced, right? It will be not like I'm putting everything into one class. It will be like streamlined. Docker, Kubernetes, one project, one day we will be going. So like that it will be, right? So there you will understand more things, and you will get the confidence also, right?
Yeah, but and another thing that that gap year I am having.
What is that?
That's the I am having gap year of 2 years. That's the main thing. Means I want
Gap
to be
means,
ready for
yeah, so
to be
gap
ready.
means what we will do is, in the gap we will make sure like you are working on cat or gmat, or you are trying on some personal things, we can tell, and we can
Yeah,
manage. Okay,
I worked on CAT, and that first year I got
good.
90 percentile. Same this time I am getting it from 82 to 90. I'm giving marks. So that's the panic button I had made because I have 50 days for that, but I don't know it will be means I want to be I targeting a top college. Previously, I'm getting a IM Kasi for data analytics and IM Jammu Australian University, but I didn't take that. So this is
Mhm.
I and I don't want to give one more year for this because
No,
it will
I would also
impact.
request not to give one
Uh,
more year, because that will hamper your growth. Okay,
yeah,
already you tried, that's done.
that's the thing.
Okay.
Means I to, means I came I called someone's many people. They already told that okay, you can do the DevOps. So I seen your videos. Then I think like previously before 4 days I have taken that course, but we cannot connect with you. I cannot connect with you, so
Okay.
I thought okay, let me connect. Then I will explain my whole scenarios.
Okay,
Then
great,
how,
great, great,
what we
great.
will
So,
do.
Shivam, everything will be lined up, and I would request those who have registered, right? This projects also you follow. Slowly, you try to understand. I will share everything on the Telegram group. the documents, the things. Just have a look. If you're not able to complete also, that's fine. But I want you to understand the flow, the commands which I have given in the the document, and write your own notes. Clear, Shumam?
Yeah. In that
Shumam, I
project,
have
we will
present
do.
students also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. So yes, guys, I think Swapna, I am still waiting for you. I've shared the link also thrice in the LinkedIn, but I'm not sure what is stopping. But yeah, that's fine. So guys, I will be very honest with you. So we are left with 2 people registration, right? If anyone is interested for this price today, right, you can register yourself. All the details are here. Home, you see the home page, right? This is what the beauty of our organization is all about, right? And highest package in batch 4 only it touched. Earlier it was 31 LPA where a student got in Walmart, right? But now slowly we are increasing our benchmark, and batch 5.0 benchmark will be 40 LPA, right? 36. We will target more. 40 LPA is what I'm looking for in batch 4, right? And anyone is interested, you can click on this course, book your seat, and directly it will take you to this page and pay, and you will get all the details. Okay. If you have not got any details, I would request you to drop an email to heydevopsbatch5@gmail.com contact us page, and you will get all the details, and your issues will be resolved in next 1 day. Clear, everyone? Right? I hope. Yeah, GitHub repo link you need. Okay, GitHub repo link also I will share. Praveen 1994 DEC. What is that? Hey DevOps. Hey DevOps 3-tier architecture. All of you take this GitHub link. Please follow the code and make sure you are working in this place, right? And join tomorrow so that you are able to understand. Clear, everyone? Right? I hope you have liked the session, right? App में सब कुछ मिलेगा. Thanks, Praveen, right? Please do join, right? And definitely we will work together. Thank you all for joining. Last 2 seats left. If anyone is interested, you can definitely join and enroll yourself. See you all in tomorrow's class, and it will be a great time. Okay, take care, stay safe, and फिर मिलते हैं कल. ठीक है, एक अलग project अलग अंदाज में. ठीक है, I joined. Swapna, where are you? Swapna. Okay, still I'm not able to see Swapna. Chinna, oh, you are Chinna case.
Hi, Praveen.
Oh, okay. Hi. Yeah.
Yes, it's me.
Okay, great. Go ahead. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah, good to see you, Praveen. It's a great class today.
Okay, thank you.
Currently I'm working as a senior system analyst developer. So for my work experience as with .NET technologies only. But where I was work with MNC company like a Tech Mahindra and all. But the thing is, I don't want to go hereafter. I don't want to do my journey with the code level side. I have enough experience, like a 10 years experience with coding and all. I have worked so far with .NET, MVC, Angular, so all things. I would like to go like a kind of managing kind of things, like a above the coding level.
Okay, got it.
I tried in between 2 or 3 times. I tried like a AWS, go with AWS, but when I was started got deviated with some others actually. Due to this dependency, or I have no idea, but I would like to learn. I would like to see myself growth as in manager level, and I would like to settle myself in out of India.
Okay, good. So first thing first, for manager level, you will easily get it because you have 10 plus years of experience, and I would request that definitely you will get it. See, if you show them like your experience, right, 10 years, you can show like 7 plus 3 or 8 plus 2 kind of, or 8 plus 3, 11, let's consider like that. And in the last 3 years, you are working on DevOps. Let's consider that you don't want to code, right? So you can go into the manager level, and definitely companies like Walmart, Amazon, your Google are hiring for these positions on a managerial level. And because you have a little bit of coding knowledge also, these companies are apt for you. Try for product-based companies where more product management levels and your SRE managers are more. Adobe is also having SRE managers more kind of, right? So you can definitely check and definitely check all those things, right?
Yeah, sure, but I'm very new. As I told, so far it's a .NET technology background only for me.
Correct. So for that thing,
but
right?
I have confidence on me. Yeah.
Yeah, for that reason only, what if you are interested, right, you can join this 5.0, right? And in this 5.0 you will get everything what you need to become a manager. In my 4.0 I have managers with 15 plus years of experience who are with me, right? So you don't need to worry. And definitely you can join, because you 10 plus years, I told you, right, one girl got 30 LPA in Avalara. She was 10 years experience from mainframe, she got it, right? So people are there who have
Great. Good to hear that.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, thanks a lot for your time. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so guys, that's all for today's class. See you all in another class. And if anyone needs any kind of data, what you need to do, you need to just come to today's live class, right, on the YouTube. Click on this YouTube. Okay, not LinkedIn, by the way. You have to go on the YouTube and click on the today's live class, and any links you need, you will get from here. You need a Telegram link, you will get here. You need batch 5 link, you will get here. And if you need any kind of registration link or anything, you will get from here. Clear? So yes, that's all for today's class, and I will see you in tomorrow's EMR class. Python, Django, everything we will complete. And stay safe. See you all in next class. Thank you and bye. Yeah, and definitely share your learnings on LinkedIn and tag me, tag Hey DevOps also, and follow Hey DevOps page if you are really interested and looking for some opportunities, because in my organization I will roll out new opportunities also. So you can follow this page, right? Okay, today's lecture will be on YouTube. You can definitely watch again. So yes, I have pinged in the place. You can watch that also. Okay, thank you all for joining. Take care. Bye. And फिर मिलेंगे कल same at 4 p.m. Okay, bye. Yeah.